All right. Hello, everybody. I hope the audio is working. I don't think so, but it seems to be working, right?
Hello.
So, we are back with another live stream, and this time we are at risk. We are about to. Yeah, it's quite an interesting place. So, I'm gonna just tell you the whole story, but let me actually check if the audio is working first, because if it's not working, then yeah, it's just bad. How are you doing, Julia?
Good. You? How are you?
I am a bit worried about the place that we are in right now, but hold
Yes,
on.
me too.
I am. Okay, it's working. Everything seems fine. I'm gonna pull up the chat here so we see it.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, Mr. Dick, welcome, man. You are just with me through all the struggles and all the problems that I'm having, and I'm just like happy to see you once again in the stream. So yeah.
Nice.
So do you want to like introduce yourself? Maybe why are we here, or who are you, and why are we in this hotel? Maybe. Like, let's just start off with this.
Hello.
The video stream is kind of blurry though because of the ghosts. It's normal. It is very normal, okay? Because like we are in like a very different setting.
A haunted like hotel. Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Julia. Okay, I'm like a robotics consultant, and I was like in FOSDEM giving a talk about how to develop Rust in robotics with using a framework that is called Rust, which had it was my pleasure to be there with Orhun, and together we got invited to go to here to like Gliwice, Poland, to make like again the talk, and I think it was like pleasure to meet us here, and we have really have a lot of fun here. And the thing is that we're gonna live together, and this night hotel is like beautiful.
Yeah. So we were kind of got invited to speak here as keynote speakers, and don't get us wrong, this is not how they behave to keynote speakers. This is actually a bit of a like a not temporary, but like one day situation where we need to stay in this hotel because we are in another city right now, and our flight is from the city, not yours probably, but yeah, yours too, right? Your
Exactly.
flight. Yeah. So yeah, we just have to be here for a day, but yeah. The other hotel was great though. Like it was nice. This one is great too. Don't get me wrong, but like
it's really good, and we're really in the center. We're really close to like the main station. So yeah, it's perfect. The thing is that, well, it's like a bit like funny to stay here.
Yeah. So tell us about what you're doing. Do you like first of all write Rust? Otherwise, why are you on the stream?
Okay. First of all, I don't know why I'm on the stream. Orhun has invited me.
My bad.
No, just kidding. Okay, I'm a robotics developer, software robotics developer, and I mostly develop in C++. But since last year, I started to see that Rust had a really big impact in robotics and in the future. So I started to research for this, and I started to talk about this just to have more people to start working with Rust in robotics. And I think that's why I'm here.
Yeah, she's making robots, guys.
Yes.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And writing Rust at the same time.
Yes. Rust is now I am using mostly as my personal projects, but yeah, parallelly I'm working developing robots mostly from scratch. I am in the overall process of developing a custom robot in hardware, in software, in control, in computer vision, in whatever is needed. So I'm really good on developing.
Yeah, she's very smart, guys. So that's what it means. Just gonna summarize it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want water?
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, we have water. Yeah. Guys, I mean, come on, I'm just very welcoming to my guest here, so just offering some water and milk.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, is that milk?
It's cream.
Cream, yeah, whatever, same thing. So yeah, like I said, the video is not supposed to be high quality because our life is actually pretty low quality right now. So you don't expect the video to be like HD or 4K, right? So yeah. Do you guys have any questions to us, or I'm just gonna talk to some. This guy says that the stream quality is just through a door hole or something, right? You know, it looks like it, but it's on purpose. So yeah. So yeah, this is your first time in Poland too, right?
Yes, it's not my
Maybe
first time.
tell people about your experience so far. Apart from this hotel.
Regarding Poland, what you have seen. I think that in Poland there is like beautiful like people, really smart people, and what I saw in the conference that there are really good software developers here in Poland. So there was a very high quality of people in the conference who we got a really good like conversation about different, mostly Rust. And I think that your workshop was really awesome because lots of people were developing really fantastic personal projects, more or less.
Yeah, the recordings will be available soon, so
yes,
you'll see those projects, I hope.
Yeah, there was one guy that was expecting so much your workshop that all the day was like getting ready for your workshop. I think that's when I'm gonna publish, people will like it a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there was like really good project like to use Ratatouille and as a custom project. So I think that was quite insightful for people.
Yeah, it was good. What is this thing? It looks like a pill, not a candy, guys. This is just a pill, like from 1950s probably. How old was this hotel again?
1880 more or less.
Yeah, something like that, guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Emirhan, welcome.
It's beautiful because it maintains its original like shape. Yeah.
What the fuck? It's not breaking. So yeah. It's not okay. Whatever.
One fun fact about the Poland people is that they are really good on software and technological things, and when they are talking, they don't like say that they are good, so they don't feel like. And when you talk with them, they are super good at what they are doing, and I think that's one of the beautiful I've been seeing while being in the conference. And there's lots of also really good different Rust meets groups came. I think there's like one from Vienna, I think, and also
Rust is just so popular now.
Yes.
So there are like more people from Rust, Vienna, Gdansk.
Dansk, right? Yeah.
Gdansk. Shout out to those guys. They're not watching, but love you,
Yes.
Rafal. So yeah, Rust is getting so big. I need to swallow this candy. Hold on. This is just probably making people very disturbed.
Yeah, so it's why I'm like trying. It's like to help to have Rust also in robotics. Now there is like I mostly commonly use a framework that it's called ROS. That is Robotic Operating System.
ROS.
Yes, exactly.
So yeah.
And the conference that I made, like the talk was Rust2 with Rust, so it was like really tricky to say. And I think that Rust has a really big point in the future of robotics, but we have to be like the first people who start to implement things for robotics. And that's why I always try to talk about this, just to have more people involved. So if you have any projects regarding robotics or you want to talk about, I'm really happy to help.
Yeah, anybody making robots, guys? I mean, 5 people watching, so somebody gotta just make robots. Emirhan, I know that you're making robots, bro. Just let me know, Jam. Mr. Dick is probably not making robots, but yeah, maybe he's making robots. Even though he's making robots, he's probably not. Anyways, so yeah, since when you're writing Rust?
Rust started
Last week.
Last week,
next question.
Last week, no. Last year I started writing Rust. I was like more invited to a conference to talk about how to read Rust, and that's when I started. I learned about how we can. The thing is that when I started working with Rust, it was beautiful because all of the things that I didn't like about C++, Rust has it. So it was like, wow, this language is like, it's beautiful to start working with. The thing is that not much companies in robotics starts in, I think it's gonna start now or in a few, like 1 year more or less.
Yeah. So people say that this is an abandoned hotel, looks good though. Bro, you should have just entered the hotel. Like, tell them about how we got in here and how the corridor and everything feels like. I mean, this looks good maybe because we have a fancy camera from 90s, but I mean the pictures on the wall, they seem to be like moving and shit, bro. Like it's some haunted hotel type.
Yes.
Shit, but like, just tell people how was the experience, and also the font outside of the hotel. Like, just tell them. I don't wanna like, they don't believe me anymore.
I have to say that when you look the hotel like from the distance, it seems kind of like maybe non like I don't know. It's like lost. Like place maybe, I don't know, but no, when you get here you go to the entrance, everything is from like 1800. Yeah,
I just doxed our hotel, but like look at this, like this font is screaming screaming danger.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, that was the font, but yeah, I sometimes think I'm hearing two people trying to talk over the whispers of the dead. Bro.
No, I have to say that we have to thank because Rasmit has like give us the opportunity to sleep here today, so it was like awesome. I don't know how much costs like a hotel here, but maybe it's, I don't know. But it's the hotel is good, but it has like the one like 1800 like year like.
Yeah.
Like original. So yeah, I think that it's funny because we have fun. I have fun a lot with this hotel.
I mean, just wait for the night. I mean, what am I gonna say? Like, I mean, after 1 a.m. we're gonna, everything's gonna change. I heard that people in this hotel, they don't sleep. They just die and resurrect in the morning. So it's like a cycle. So nobody's actually sleeping. They just like fucking leave the earth and come back. So yeah.
And we have like the rail station really close, and the hotel starts to like tremble, and it's funny because
it looks like it's man, two ghosts are talking to each other. We cannot even see your faces. What the fuck, bro? This setup is just shut the fuck up, Mr. Dick. Sorry, but like this setup is just great. All right. We can probably take off the lens, but whatever. By the way, I haven't tested the internet. I don't know if it's like.
But you can see it here, right?
Like it's fine, guys. It's fine. Mr. Dick, I love you, man. I was just joking. They probably pay extra beyond 5.5 pixels per person. Yeah. Sorry, man, Mr. Dick. My bad, bro. I'm a bit stressed because I'm living in this hotel right now. Okay, I'm just hearing voices and shit. So my bad, bro. My bad. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam, bro. So yeah, we have water though, like we have some candy and shit.
Yes.
I offered you coffee and tea, but you didn't take it, so you gotta just. Yeah, you have
water is fine.
Where's my cream? Did you just steal my? Okay.
Here.
Okay, I'm gonna just do a little bit of cream water.
Alive, yeah.
Yeah, now I got out of here.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, I'm gonna just actually give you guys a little bit of a tour, but I'm a bit worried about the microphone sensitivity, but we can try, guys.
We can try. I think that the aisle is the best thing. We can go.
All right, I
Yeah, your legs.
All
You
right,
are right, it's gone.
What happened?
The wall is so blurry.
I feel like a fish. The world is so blurry. That's fine. Keep swimming, bruh. All right, so I hope the microphone won't die again, but we'll try. We'll try this. Just. It is super sensitive, but we're gonna make it happen. All right. Hotel tour, everybody. We going.
Bank robbery footage. Do you have the key?
But don't close the door. We
Okay.
might get locked out. All right, guys, look at this. Look at this. Everything is just making sounds and shit. If I can fix the microphone, I can show you like a little bit of a more. Okay, guys, this should be super loud, but we're gonna make it happen. All right, let's go. I just changed the microphone to the built-in one. Can you like maybe try to?
Yeah.
My mom is calling. Mom, I'm busy. Mom, I'm so busy. Wait, guys, 1 second. Let me check the audio. I'm busy. Okay, it's working. Let's go. Can you check the chat for me? Thank you.
Yes, I'm gonna check your chat.
All right, we gotta be a bit quiet. All right, guys. I don't have my shoes on, so I don't like to go too far. But look at this shit.
Needs to hop on their in-house Discord to
Holy
see
shit.
cool robotics projects. Wow.
What the fuck is this? What do the people say right now?
There's one guy that says that I should go to the in-house Discord to see cool robotics projects.
All right, guys. Give me a call, all right? Give me a call on this. I'm giving you my number.
Man, get hell out of here.
All right, let's just get in. Fuck this. All right.
I'm Korean, man. If you die, can I have the non-rust repos? That's a good one.
All right. We're back in the room. We are safe again. I'm just gonna give my mom a call. Okay, so give me a sec.
So good.
Okay. We're back to the old microphone. I hope.
I want to see this one. Julia needs to hop on the Greenhouse Discord to see cool robotics projects. I would like to.
You're on the Discord.
Yeah,
right?
I will do that for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will do. If I could give you some feedback about my experience.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you.
She's so smart, guys. Okay. If you die, can I have the non-rust repos? There's no non-rust repos. What do you mean? Like, do you have any non-rust repos?
Non-rust repos.
Like,
Ad Mom makes it easy.
sorry for the ad.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, she was a C++.
Yeah.
Yeah.
During my work hours, I'm a C++ developer. During my free hours, I'm a more Rust developer. So yeah, I love like helping to introduce Rust in robotics.
Yeah. So creepy. This might not be your mom after all. Okay, actually, give me a second here. A little bit of a private moment. All right, just a little bit of a texting. We got some stuff on Discord. People say that Rob from Discord says I should hire Julia for my gang stalking drone. So I guess he's making a drone, so
Yes.
he wants to hire you. What do you think?
Yes.
Do you are you open for new positions right now? Most importantly.
Yes, I'm like open to like as a robotic consultant to help to others to whatever project it would like help. I'm currently giving like classes in a like construction robotics master's degree and now I have like a student that she's like developing a drone mostly from scratch. It means that she's building a drone, and now she wants to put like the rust layer on the top to make like SLAM, that is simulation, location, and planning, and have like an autonomous drone. So yeah, I will be happy to help if it's needed, and yeah, for sure. Please, we can talk. I don't know.
Yeah, Rob is a real nice guy. His bio is during my work hours I'm a CSS backdoor engineer, but I write Holy See at night. So yeah, he's very cool. He might be smarter than you actually. Yeah. But just saying. Like,
yeah. No. I think that he might be smarter than me. Drones, it's super. It's not easy.
Yeah. I know. Guys, she's so smart. Transistor, my man, welcome. He's my moderator. He's only title, and he's also my best friend.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
welcome.
He's from Poland as well.
Okay.
I haven't seen him because he's not real. Actually, he's just a chatbot.
Okay.
Yeah, like I'm a bit smart myself too. So, yeah. But is this a break-in? This is guys. This is actually one of the events. Like sometimes I do streams where I say it's the event of the year.
Okay.
Might be one of them because this is so like fucked up. I mean, look at this camera and the place that we are in right now. But yeah.
Maybe it's gonna be the best like one because it's super different. I don't know.
Because you're in the stream, or?
I don't think so, but because it's like different.
Yeah. I don't think I'll ever come back to this place ever again. I might come back to Poland, but I mean,
yes.
Philip, if you're watching, my man, thanks for the hotel, but I mean, yeah.
Yes. Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything.
He today has been with us, and he has shown really good things about like the Krakow, and it's been a really good date. Yeah. Yeah,
Krakow, kurwa. Okay. Yes. Orhun, do you like me, my man? You are just. I still don't know who you are, and I have no idea if you're real or not, but you have a big place in my heart. Not gonna lie, man. Sorry if I was a bit stressed before. You know, we are in this really weird setting. Yes. There's this picture just looking over me. She just moved on the picture. Let me just show it to you. Hold on.
The one that is in my room it's like looks at your eyes and stares there. It's like.
Oh yeah, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. She moved. I saw it. All right, how do I put this back on now? Fuck. Anyways, we just. All right, I'm gonna just put it here. Hold on. Is this visible?
Announces.
No. You gotta add. I'm making money from my own live streams.
Okay.
Just skip. All right. What do you mean the picture's blank? No, it's not blank. Look. Is this blank?
No, it's a blank.
Like, what do you mean? There's a house on this picture, no?
Exactly. Yeah. Really big house.
All right, I'm actually put it back in because I don't wanna mess with this.
Have you seen that radio?
Radio? What? Is there a radio?
Yes.
What the fuck? I thought there was a safe or something because it has some buttons and shit. But hold on, I don't want to break this picture. If I break this, we are just cursed forever. You know that, right? Oh my god.
Time for biceps curls with the blank picture. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I fucked up. It's fucking. All right, guys.
Woman in the house that an interpretative should be coming from the bottom of your arm.
We're doing tricep extensions now with the fucking dead souls. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna just put it back in a bit. We're gonna get fired from this hotel.
I think so.
We're gonna get fired from this hotel. All right.
Pronouns in Raz doesn't recognize radio. I'll check out lol.
What? Wait, let me just put it here. Woman in the house, what interpretation should be coming from the bottom of your heart? Dude, Okay, programs in Rust doesn't recognize a radio. All checks out, bro. Okay, I feel bad because I didn't recognize the radio now. But this is not a radio. Is this a radio?
I think.
Have you tried it? Is it working?
I don't want to touch this.
Yeah, I mean it's fucking cursed after all, but. Alright, guys. Live radio testing. You know, test
I think that's a really good idea.
Alright, you guys. Alright, guys, we have this thing. Oh my god, what a terrible angle. But, how does
Yes,
this
you can change here the dial, I think. This is the FM, so you can change it like this.
You know so much about this.
No, and then
It's kind of worrying me.
now it's...
You actually... Guys, it's working. Soul radio, it's dead soul.
Maybe you can put also a time and you can wake up with this radio.
I don't want to wake up from this hotel at all. Why would I wake up with a radio? I'm dead.
You can change. No, it's not here. It's here. You can change.
Okay, one question. Why the fuck there's a radio on this thing?
I don't know, I don't want. I feel the same. Yeah.
Roku 2 razy coś, co nazywa się...
Alright, this is for the Polish people.
Jest to jakby list intencji.
It's a fan service for the Polish people. Transistor.
Zmiany prawa kanonicznego.
Mogą one tak
It's so distorted.
Put the maximum.
Oh yeah, this is my jam.
Wszystkie pionki z naszej planszy już wystarczy. Dzięki tyle, ale może.
It's Radio Maria. Marfa.
So good.
They have to go Ghostbusters, yeah. They have to.
Kurwa radio.
Now it's much better.
We are vibing, guys. Alright, just I'm just turn it off.
What a quality. One word without that too, yeah.
Yo, what the hell? This live stream is haunted, yes. Probably want to work with... I'm just catching up with the messages, sorry. Do I have to call Ghostbusters? Do I have to?
I think that you should.
I find this stream very insightful. It is definitely very insightful, Rafael.
Yeah, and we're having so much fun with this hotel.
I mean, we have a radio. What else do we have? We probably have some old ass like equipment somewhere in this hotel too. You have a, yeah. The only thing that is technologic and like modern is just this phone and the PC.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that? All right, I was just making some cream water. I'm just gonna continue. Sounds like my old belly working Skoda Felicia. Dude, that woman in the painting just looked at me. Holy shit! Which
is
one?
it?
Which
No.
painting? Which woman? All right, guys. You're making fun of us, but you're actually quite scared. I mean, you were quite scared, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. When I arrived 2 times, I couldn't access to my room because it was locked. So it was super. It was like, oh my god, I need to run from here. Is this lamp programmable? It is ROS compatible? Maybe yes, we can find some library ROS compatible. Not really, but just look at her.
What? Bro, no. Come on. I mean, it would be really funny if just, you know, somebody just breaks and just changes the, like, painting with a really similar one, but like the eyes open or something. That would be so funny, right? Right? Right? Alright.
Yes, maybe we could hack this lamp just to be able to program with ROS. I don't know.
What is this lamp? Oh my god, this is so dusty. I'm just like messing around with the dead now, so it's, I don't know.
I wouldn't
Oh.
touch it.
We have a button for this.
So maybe we could like, yeah, that you could like add this into, I don't know, some input output.
Yeah.
And you can open and close it using, well, not need ROS, just.
Okay, I'm just exploring now. Give me a sec, I'll be back. What the?
We are in Krakow now, in Poland.
Krakow,
Yes, we
kurwa.
are here.
You have a mini bar. How's your room, by the way? It's not similar to this one, right? It's a bit like smaller.
Yeah, it's a bit smaller, and I have my paintings are like much worse. I have one guy. Maybe we can show that.
Maybe we can. Okay, I have an idea. What if we switch paintings? Would they realize that?
I would like it.
Let's do it. Let's go to your room, get your painting, and wait. Are they the same size?
I think so.
Guys, should we do it? Should we go on a painting switch quest? Very nice. Okay, we saw the castle.
Yes, Philip, show us the
Yeah.
castle.
I saw the dragon. The dragon was
Throwing fire.
very big.
Yes.
I was expecting that, exactly that. You know,
Yes.
my expectations just like when Philip told me that there was a dragon, I was like, yeah. And
A
when I-
dragon that was like throwing fire.
yeah.
So.
It was actually throwing fire. It was like huge dragon.
Yes.
Definitely not on a diet, right? Huge fire. So good. So good.
Orhun wanted to see dragons, so he thought, I don't know how it was the big. When I saw that, we were like, oh my god, because maybe Philip told us that it was like super famous dragon, that everyone wants to see it. So that's why we expect like a really big dragon with lots of fire. And when we saw,
It was a very big dragon with lots of fire. I mean, my expectations were very fulfilled. Not gonna lie. So,
yes, but yeah, it seems like it has been like in a diet, that dragon, because it was like not really big.
yeah. Switch painting to Van Gogh or what? No difference. Shut up, man. You're just busting my balls now. You're my moderator. What are you doing? Painting us. We are doing a party. We need it all. Okay. People say that we just bring all the paintings here.
Okay, sounds good. We should-
Sounds good. Like, how am I gonna sleep? Like
I'm gonna
this?
sleep really well.
Okay. I'm just gonna sleep in your room. Salt it and burn it. Any plans on modifying your Lexus? Bro, so I got a Lexus, you know that, right?
Okay.
The car is mine now.
Okay.
I bought it from some idiot
Okay.
who sold me for sorry, Rafael. So yeah, I'm actually modified the car because I mean it's pretty good. Like I'm flexing on LinkedIn and shit. You saw that?
No.
Didn't see?
Ah, yes,
The
I
car.
saw it.
I have a car now.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, yeah, I understand now.
Come on.
Okay.
So, yeah, thanks for asking though. Like, if you work harder, like maybe you can get one too, but it's really hard. That's the rough car, by the way. Watch out for the guy behind the curtains. Which guy? What do you mean, dude? Why are you trolling us? Like, it's not funny. I'm gonna sleep in this room. Probably not. I'm just gonna die and resurrect myself. Caleb jogging himself fire. It was. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it was fire. It's fire. Yeah. I just got a moment where I kind of internalized what I saw today. So yeah, Bro, it was so shit. Okay. In Poland, it started with 35. The flexes. Yeah. So what else did we do today? Actually, I kind of lost track.
We tried the typical donuts from here, and I think that's first really good.
That's the only thing that she remembers, guys. That's the only thing.
We went to the castle too.
What? Yeah, I mean, just.
They know
Yeah,
that.
they know that. You just
And
told them.
then we walked a lot.
And tried donuts. And then donuts. We should.
And then we tried tea
and donuts.
and donuts.
So yeah. Awesome Ken Ferry, all the possible recipe roast modifications that will happen in your Texas Lexus.
Oh.
It's gonna be super nice, bro. Don't worry. I'm gonna give you a nice tour around the Krakow. Kurwa.
Yes.
The Zygmunt Bell, maybe. Oh, what is that? Do you know what that is?
No. No, I don't know.
Do you know what this is?
Nope.
Guys, we didn't do anything in Poland. We just ate donuts and we just leave it. And we are staying in a haunted hotel. That's all we did. Not gonna lie.
And we went to the castle, and we eat here.
We saw the little, big dragon. We saw the big dragon.
And we saw some like Renaissance painters that was in the
there's
castle.
some shit in the castle, right? It was good. It was good. People from Poland, you guys should be proud. You got like great big dragons and nice paintings.
And we went to the market. You don't remember this? We went to the market. We saw
For what?
we saw like the kind of local, like Polish, jewelry slash I don't know. It was like the market.
Yeah, we just went to the market, guys. It's like very touristic, right? Yo, we just went to Poland and we went to market. It's at the castle. What is this? Guys, I don't have a setup, so I just gotta like look at my phone and. What is this thing? Oh, we didn't see this.
We didn't see it. Yeah, maybe in the distance, but I think we didn't see it.
Is it like bigger than the dragon or not? Probably it's bigger than the dragon, right? So yeah. Oh, my screen just died. So should we just switch the paintings or what?
I think that's a really good idea.
Do you think they would realize that? Like,
I think they have the same shape.
are you sure?
Not much, but I think so. But it will be really good here, I think. It will start you at
Alright.
night, so I will be really happy.
Okay, let's just do that in a second. We gotta go reasons you to have fun for şimdilik and nara. Okay, nara, bro. Nara. It means goodbye. You know.
Okay,
It's
is it
Oh, that's
now?
yeah.
It's now in Spanish.
So you just like put a lot of languages in there because we are just
Okay,
idiots.
nice.
But nara, bro. See you again. Kurwa. I don't know what that means, but I just say it because people seem to say it all the time. But yeah. Switch the hotel.
The paintings will notice that, yeah. Maybe yes. Maybe we'll like swap in the night each other, and tomorrow morning we're gonna see like the paintings like again swap.
Yeah, I think the paintings won't be happy about that.
It's a really good idea.
But yeah. But I mean, let's do that in, I don't know, in 2 minutes. We can probably do that.
Don't say that.
Don't say that again, man. What did I say? What did I say? I don't know what he is referring to because we have a delay. So I don't know. Like, be more specific, Mr. Dick. Don't be a dick. Anyways.
I think that maybe the most like interesting or like fun fact about today was that
And donuts. And the
Yes.
big dragon.
yeah, that's true.
I have a picture with the dragon. I am so happy. You can see it from my face. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at the picture. right? This is me. Okay, first of all, let me show the dragon. It's not fitting the whole frame because it's too big. You know, it's definitely not fitting. So and then here's me. I'm like super happy. Look at me. Like I am.
You're super happy, yeah.
I am super happy with the dragon. I just like finally fulfilled all my goals in life.
Yes.
Saw the
should be
dragon
proud.
and shit.
Yeah.
So yeah. Just surprise them. Paint the room. I see pixels, man. That's fine. I mean, a lot of pixels make high quality, right?
Exactly.
I mean,
yeah.
so it's normal. What do you mean? All right, let's just switch the painting. I might just wear my shoes.
I can bring it.
No, you're not gonna bring it. We're just gonna go together.
Okay.
Just wait.
Okay.
Just wait there and watch out for any zombies or dead pirates and shit
We
like
have
that.
to show that coach from there.
Yeah.
Yes, I think the people will like it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna switch to the built-in mic because this is just keeps dying. All right, give me a second, guys. We're going together actually. Stream. All right, switch the mic. It's super loud now probably, but whatever. Okay. I'm gonna read the chat. Grand Theft Auto. Yes, we're going, guys.
I have to show that coach.
Oh,
This coach, it's really good.
guys, look at this. What the fuck is this?
I want it down here.
There's actually someone sitting here. Yeah, the
What does
ghost.
it say here? No, I'm just kidding.
Polish people, please translate this. What does this say? You probably won't see it because of the fucking pixels, but whatever. GTA 6 graphics. Where are we going again, guys? We should be quiet. Okay, we're going in. I left my room unlocked because I'm a fucking dumbass. We didn't bring the other paintings. And we're bringing that to my room because, yeah. Let me actually check the chat. It's really creepy. The ghost on my Rust code's passed.
Exactly. Who's
Alright.
that sitting there?
Is my internet dying or them? Probably dying. It's not the internet. We are dying. Okay, just take it. It's probably not the same size, by the way.
No problem.
They'll probably see us from the camera and they will say, "What the fuck are you doing?" And we are gonna be kicked out. You have to run. You have to run. Just be really quick because they might actually see us from the camera.
Okay.
Guys, we are going. I stole the fucking picture. Stole it. Alright, we're back. You're safe.
Oh shit.
You're gonna just bring that back now.
What is the key?
If you fucked up so bad, you probably left the key in the room. So this live stream I'm gonna quit live streaming after this. Is my internet still working? Can somebody please confirm it? The sound, okay, I fixed it. Did you get the key?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta take that thing to your room now.
Okay.
Okay,
But we can try it before if it fits.
We're probably not gonna fit, by the way.
I think so. Oh. You can do weight with this.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it. Okay. So we're gonna get kicked out so bad.
Yes, I think
We're gonna get kicked out. And we won't be able to explain this to the organizers. What are we gonna say to the reception? Alright, nobody can.
it fits. I know it.
Nobody's gonna
Trust
be like
me.
this.
I'm engineer. No.
What the?
It's creepier now.
It's not creepy. It's great. Okay, it's good. It's good. Let's bring that to your room now, and you're done.
Okay.
Okay. We didn't fuck up yet. Going. We made it, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Is it?
Yes. That's perfect.
Okay. All good. Let's go back and chill. Well, we won't be able to chill, but whatever. We should have get your key. Don't forget. Okay. We should have just asked them to give us closed rooms so that we can do this quicker. Instead, they just gave us like this and the one at the end of the corridor. This is my peak moment. What is this? Okay. We have success. You have the creepy ass painting now.
Yes. Now I can sleep today.
Okay. We are back after a successful mission.
Yes, we've made it.
All right, let's see what people say now. Man, your voice changed. You sound metal pipe. Man, I'm tired. Shit. Bro, I am, like, right now, you cannot imagine the adrenaline in my body. And also, this is actually, we fucked up because it's looking not straight.
You look like a typical horror movie.
That's me. All right. Yeah. What do you think?
I think that's now it's just much better. I can sleep now. I couldn't
So
sleep.
what am I gonna do?
Fight with
Guys, don't trust girls. Never again. Like, don't trust anyone who does robotic programming
Robotics
shit.
are good. Robots are good. Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Don't trust anyone.
Yes, robots
Doing-
are. Yeah, it's your like best friends. You can like trust in robots. If you program them, if not, if there are others who program the robots, don't trust them.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I didn't even listen to any word of that.
That's perfect.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah. Classic urbex experience running around abandoned haunted hotels. This is the one that I mentioned you. I watch a lot of urban exploration videos. Have you heard of those?
Mm-hmm.
Like the ones that you just go into abandoned places and do shit.
Wow.
That yeah, we just did that basically.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
It was nice. How much rent of this hotel? We should actually check that.
I don't know.
You sent me a link of the hotel.
Yes.
Have you checked?
No.
They are probably being paid to stay there. Are we being
Maybe.
paid? Actually, hotel just reached out to us and said, "Hey, we need some advertisement, and we gotta just promote our hotel. Would you mind staying?" And gave us like some money, right?
Exactly.
No,
yeah.
guys, no. We don't have any other choice. We're stuck.
Exactly. We were like invited to come here. Maybe it's here. It has a 4.3 star.
4.3 kurva.
It's like this, but I don't know.
Checking prices. Oh man, I'm broke. What is it? What's the price? It's for 2-person though. Let's make it one for easier calculations. Okay, on Booking.com, it is almost 300, like 274 Poland dollars.
Yeah, that's
What's that amount in USD?
USD, I don't know. In euros,
In euros, yeah, whatever.
might be like
Let's do the conversion. Come on.
Yes.
You have internet and technology, and you just
think about it. Yeah.
she's just too smart. She can do like all these calculations in her head. So, chances are, you tell us, is it like expensive for one person for one?
But we are in the center of Krakow.
There's only the center though. Like there isn't anything else probably here. The guy included in the back, and the price. The guy included. What do you mean? You mean the child? Probably. It's probably included in the price. Yes, Mr. Dick. How much is it?
Sorry,
She's distracted. She's just like accepting job offers on LinkedIn.
yes. So it's not. The thing is okay.
It's 650 euros.
No.
6,500 euros.
So we're like yeah.
65 euros for a day. 65.
Maybe cheaper 50, I would say, depending on when you book it.
Depending on the hauntedness level of your room.
That's not too bad actually for a
See,
hotel. Yeah, I
hotel
think
price.
so.
Bro,
Yeah.
I mean, imagine paying for 200 per night here,
Exactly.
right? Yeah.
Maybe so that you should be paid. So, but I don't know.
Actually, they just paying us.
In Poland.
In Turkey or Poland, bro. We are in Poland. We are in Kurwa land, okay? So, I should probably stop saying that word.
Then it's scam.
With them, I can get a villa in Morocco, bro. Is there any like abandoned or haunted villas in Morocco? Let's do a live stream. Would you be down to do this again? Probably not.
Yes, maybe. If you invite me, I will join you. But it has to be that it should be haunted. If not,
Yeah.
it's not funny.
Okay, but I mean, this is an exception because this is not like a bad hotel, so to
No,
speak,
exactly.
right? But I mean, it is like, it is haunted. Like, if it was bad, we won't be able to be like there will be no Wi-Fi or anything because that's like
Exactly.
bad. So there's a sweet spot. It should be bad and also haunted, but not so bad, so that we could actually record and switch paintings and shit, you know? So yeah, that's a criteria. I don't know. If there's anything like that, just let me know. And they give me drinks for free. What do you mean? We get water and cream. So we get drinks too. In Turkey, they don't have hotels probably. Yeah, like it's all Minecraft buildings. No hotels. Like we just dig a hole in the mountain.
Like this one.
Yeah, I never stayed in a hotel like this before, to be honest. For sure, there are some great villas outside, city, nature, everything. If you come to Morocco, definitely hit me up and we can arrange something. All right, I got a deal now.
Yes.
I got a deal from my man Trianox, so we're doing this in Morocco. Are you coming? You have
Yes.
10 seconds. Okay. We're making this happen. Is there a Rust meetup in Morocco? Though? Like, I don't know. You haven't discovered settlement or agriculture just yet. Where are you, bro? Is this an upgrade over the Italian prison cell? I told you about this.
Yes.
Yeah, this is actually quite a big upgrade or downgrade, so to speak. But like it's different levels of quality we're talking about. The prison one, it was a prison, you know, it was a good prison. This one is haunted as fuck, and it's really haunted as fuck. So.
But at least you have windows and you have fresh air. It could be worse.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, if you get like chased by anything, you can just like jump off the window. So you have that option. But in a prison cell, you're gonna probably get chased by some other dudes coming out of the closet or some shit. You won't be able to do that because there's no windows. This is going to like this conversation is going to a very dark place. So I'm just gonna shut up. Sounds like a plan. Great, bro. I'm actually very tired now since we switched the paintings. Here, if anything chases you, you're already in the back rooms. Do you know like anything about liminal spaces?
Yeah, especially no.
Liminal spaces. So it is a phenomenon where these spaces give you a feeling of feeling of loneliness, and also like a bit of a discomfort, and also
Yes.
a little bit of a peace. So this place also feels like a liminal space. And back rooms is just one of them, I think. It's this place. I think back rooms were actually discovered. So this is an actual
Wow. Okay.
place. So yeah, that's that. In market they're using Microsoft and Oracle shit, but I'm built different Rust, by the way. Yeah. Which company or which project are you like working on right now? Like, how do you make money?
Okay. Normally, what I have is like different like customers. Until like last month, I was like working for a company which is located in Iceland, and now I'm seeking for new customers, and also parallelly I'm like working for the university, giving like classes, and it's mostly what I do normally to get money. Normally I have my main like client, which is my main, but then I can have other ones. So yeah, that's how I make money.
Yeah, that's cool. So you are just the boss.
Yes, I'm the boss.
Yeah, you decide who to work with.
Yes, exactly. I can choose the project. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's fine, because I couldn't be in a big company like being just always doing the same. I'm not that good at. I'm good at like being everywhere.
Mm-hmm. You're a lecturer.
Yes, I really like it being a lecturer.
Guys, she's very smart. I'm telling you.
The thing is that in universities where I really learn about, because you think that you know, and when you teach, you see that you don't know as you think. So also like giving my feedback to the students, I think that is very beautiful, and see them growing in their like academical profiles. It's beautiful. So that's it.
I just got a message from my bro. He says, "Why you pretend to talk to the stream? It looks so odd." Oh my god, love you, bro. Where you celebrate your Eid, in Turkey or Poland? In Turkey. In here, I just celebrate being alive, bro. So that's, I mean, you gotta just lower your standards at some point. So, yeah. All right. Let me actually check my WhatsApp messages. Yeah. Okay. Everything seems fine. I have 14% of charge actually, but I'm very low percentage on life, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. Easter, yeah, I think Easter, it's the same thing. I don't know, are you religious?
I'm not religious.
Okay, she's very smart, guys.
Yes, I have to say that I don't believe in...
You believe in ghosts?
In ghosts, yes. Well,
Now she do.
Yes.
She just believes that.
Yes. Yeah. I think it has been really nice to meet us here in Poland, because we met in FOSDEM, but I gave the talk and then I left and you give your talk, and so we didn't meet us there. So I think that's and it's super insightful just to, because when I was in your workshop, I realized that I can use your like tutorial things to develop like customization robotics, because in robotics we mostly like work with different like user interfaces and applications and terminals, so maybe I can develop something with Ratatouille. I think it was really, really insightful.
Yeah. This is for Julia.
It's in Catalan! Wow! Hola Arnau!
Do you know him?
He's Catalan! Yeah, I'm really happy now!
Very famous.
No, the thing is that, well, I really love Catalan. Catalan is like a language in Spain we have the different languages, and Catalan is one of them. It's one of the regions of Spain where I come from. I'm really like proud of being from there. So it's really nice place, nice people. Catalan people are beautiful and really nice language to learn. So yeah, we ens hem conegut avui a l'event, and we have met each other. No, in the FOSDEM, we meet each other in FOSDEM. But the thing is that I was like giving, we were in the same dev room, in Rad's red room, and the thing is that I think that you talked before me. I don't remember. And we didn't see each, and then we got invited in this event in Poland. And we have like meet and talk more about. So
do you know the person who wrote that?
He's Catalan. I don't know him, but he's Catalan.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, because it's like the second, the middle name.
Okay, yeah, got it.
It's like Catalan. Yeah.
So people haven't asked you how to pronounce your name yet. Would you want to like give an answer to that in advance?
Yeah, in Spanish, my name is Julia, which I really hate. My name is Catalan, it's Julia. So that's why it's Julia. It's like most like normally name, not name.
We just hate Spanish people, guys.
No, Spanish people are really good people. But the thing is that it's Julia, it's not Julia.
Spanish people can't...
Julia, more or less, yeah. People who don't know how to say who, or Spanish people that is like you, they don't know how to say sometimes. They say Julia. Yeah, that's it.
So Spanish people, if you guys are watching, can you just say something in the chat and translate? Just do we ban them?
That's so cool.
Also kudos to your work on Rustlang is amazing. Thank you, my man. Great to hear that. But do you ban Spanish people or not?
No.
All right, we're banning Spanish people.
No, we don't. We shouldn't. Yeah, Julia in Poland. Yeah.
I just like.
I think that's the same Julia, also in Polish.
Oops, sorry.
I think that's the same. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it was nice to be here and to meet Orhun and check up about the Ratatouille project, which I didn't personally know, and I think that it's awesome. So
you didn't know Ratatouille?
No.
All right, get out. Guys, thanks for joining the stream, but just gotta end it here. No, just kidding. That's normal. What am I next to you, anyways? So yeah.
I feel bad now. Yeah.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm totally not sad.
I'm super low profile, so
I'm totally not sad right now.
I didn't expect to be invited to such amazing event. Being you like as a keynote together, it's like just for me. It's like wow. I'm like right here in your side. So yeah, it's super big. Yeah, it's super big. Yeah.
Say the J pretty distinctly from the English or the Spanish version. I don't know. Like you gotta join us and say it to our faces. I don't know like how to pronounce Polish at all.
Could be because maybe it's Julia. Yeah, could be. Yeah.
This guy says this.
It is in Spanish. He says that he wishes that we have a really good day together.
Yeah. I mean, guys, after this we are leaving the Earth.
Yes.
So
we're going to another planet.
I don't know what you mean by good day. That like this is the last day. This is the last day. Like it top.
That's why it's in. Oh, okay. I understand. because they have like a different way to pronounce in Polish. Could be. Okay. Yeah, we had a really nice day together with Philip. Philip, I think that has organized a really good meeting because the Rust Meet was the first like event that they had organized here in Poland, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So it was nice to be in the first edition. I really enjoyed it. If you want to join in the next ones.
Yeah, it was a good day, especially donuts, right? Ben sana böyle yazayım yanlış söyleme.
Yeah, the thing is
Teşekkürler
that-
dostum. He's just now talking to me in Turkish.
That's nice.
Shout out to my Turkish friends. Selam dostlar hepinize. I don't know if anyone Turkish is watching outside of Emirhan, but my man, you're in my heart, even in Poland. Because I'm going to find out a way to stream from his dreams. Knew that my control would work well then. Or so okay, we were just talking about like this little like. So we were just fantasizing about controlling our dreams, right? And one of the ideas was that what if you could actually do some work from your dreams? So
Oh, that's nice.
You're writing
Yeah.
code.
Really
You
good
probably
idea.
did
Yeah.
that before, and then not to not lose your progress, you just commit from your dreams and shit. You know.
Wow, that's nice.
So we were just talking about that, and is it now saying that I am now streaming from my dreams
Could be.
because they don't think this actually exists, like
Well-
which might be true.
Yes, maybe in Black Mirror. Have you seen that like chapter about? Dreams?
Which one?
It was like one like they put something here in the head and.
Maybe I have seen it. I have seen the first or second
Yes,
season.
it
I
was
cannot
more or
watch
less
it.
like this.
It's very disturbing.
Yes.
It's more disturbing than this thing. Probably not. Astral projection. Yeah, something like that. But explain better how that translates to real life, man. Bro, you gotta explain that now. I don't remember all the details. We talked about it a lot on stream, so yeah. That's a Rick and Morty episode.
Okay.
You might be forgotten, don't worry. Well, yeah, we just like talked about many things. So yeah, I'm trying to remember. It's hard to remember. So yeah, I don't know what we were saying. Yeah, donuts.
Donuts. Oh, what is donuts? Yeah, that we should like make something with our dreams. I think that's a really good idea. Sometimes when I sleep and then I got up, sometimes I have really good ideas and then I forget completely about this. So if you were able to get back, then it would be nice.
So since we are like tonight we're basically dying in this
Exactly.
hotel.
Yeah.
Would you rather to die in your sleep, in your dreams, or would you like fight for your life?
Fight for my life always. Yeah.
But I mean, imagine like
yes.
the terror and the horror that you will experience before you die. You're gonna die either way.
Yeah.
Let's say.
Yeah.
Would you like fight or
Fight. Always
just
fight.
just enjoy coding C++ in your dreams?
Always
So
fight.
the question getting harder, right?
Yes, it's getting harder because C++ is hard sometimes. So yeah.
Okay, she's a fighter, guys. I tried my best, but this is the question I could come up with. Can you see the clips? What clips? Well, if you're talking about like clips as the gun or something, we actually like decided to like kind of check out some gun stores today.
Oh yes.
Yeah, because we like okay, we gotta defend ourselves. And I found a Minecraft
that was very
sword.
cool. Yeah.
in a like a shop
Yes.
it was a part of the magazine.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was like
beautiful.
an actual Minecraft sword, and I was like,
Yes.
I should get this to defend myself, but I didn't. But I don't know what you mean by clips.
Yes.
If you mean like YouTube clips, I don't know. This goes is Rusty, man, all one. This is Poland. We don't leave you a fighting chance,
chance. Wow.
bro.
Okay.
Kurwa. Just a question: is FOSDEM free? Would love to attend next one. Yeah, FOSDEM is free,
Yes, it's
and
free.
it's like chaos.
Yes.
You know, when you die, you go to a place where all the souls are just there, you know?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because you're that, I don't know.
Yeah, so it's like that, basically. It's like very, very crowded. It's free, though. You can join.
Yeah. The thing is that it's really big, so there are lots of dev rooms, and you can like choose whatever you want. But depending on the room, where it's like, it could be big. But if you like the room is really small, maybe you don't have like so much space. So it's like you have to be the first on in the depending on where it is located. I don't know. But yeah, it's like a mess. It's like a big mess, and there's lots of people. Maybe if it's like crowded of people, but I like it. I enjoy it. I think that it was nice to
Yeah, I mean, as long as you can find a spot to watch the talks, that's cool.
Yeah.
I haven't checked the clips for the stream. I believe it's free apart from travel and stay costs. Yeah, free party. May the God give me a beer. So actually, you can just like probably stay in the venue if you go to FOSDEM. Don't clip this part and don't share it with anyone. But you could probably just find like a small spot somewhere in the university and just sleep there.
Could be, yeah.
Have you like ever like discovered any
but maybe
places?
it was cold, maybe, I don't know. Because it was big. It was like a university campus and it's big.
You could do it. Because it's big. Have you ever like went around?
Could be, yeah. That's it.
Like, have you just discovered any part outside of the rooms yet?
Yes.
So once I was just looking for a toilet on some floor. Guys,
you found it because it was huge.
Yeah. So I just wanted a little bit of a alone time with me and my toilet, right? Just to chill because it's super crowded.
It was big.
And I actually found a secret floor, like a hidden floor somewhere. I still know where it is. And there's like super quiet, like people sitting in their office and shit, and it's quiet. So you could probably just find an empty room and just stay there for a day or two.
Yes.
Don't use this technique and don't clip this. Thank you.
It's a really big university, so maybe you can find some like place, to sleep.
People in Mastodon complain that FOSDEM is the play conference. They are right. Why people use Rust? Just tell them. Tell them. Why do you use Rust?
We use Rust because we don't know better. I understand it. Why people use Rust? For me, what I've like looked through and with my experience is that Rust has what, for example, lots of things that C++ doesn't have, and I think that it has been designed thinking with other languages and getting the best of other languages, so it's better by itself. And also, the way that it has been designed uses like specific way, like the ownership that gets rid of you about, or it's like safety when you want to execute multiple threads. So from my point of view, I think that it's perfect. So it has been designed to be perfect, to be used. But I don't know, maybe from my point of view. What do you think about it?
I think it's hype. First of all,
I think that's also the hype.
It's hyped and it's quite performant as well, and like memory safe. Like insert any Rust feature in here. Like it's good. It's a good language.
Yeah.
And we don't know any better right now. I mean, if there was a better one, we would probably switch.
The thing is that I always like to search what big companies does, and big companies are putting lots of money in Rust regarding to have a really good and stable version as soon as possible, and they have used it and they have solved lots of safety issues with Rust. So I think that it talks by itself from my point of view. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna get better over time.
Yes, I think so.
There's a question for you.
Which one?
The last one.
Yes, Rust can get the job fast. What I've seen is that Rust is like a quite new language in robotics, but I've started to see not lots, but recruiters like searching for people who knows Rust in robotics. So being the first who knows Rust in robotics, I think that it's gonna be fine because you're gonna find a job like before than, for example, other people who don't know uses. So that's why I think that yes, that Rust can get a job fast. If you know something that the others don't know, you're gonna get the job. And lots of people lots of companies are using through Rust developers, and I think that there's not much good developers in Rust now. So yeah, I think so. I think that being the first it's better than like being like the 10th or the I don't know. That's what I think.
Yeah. I use Rust because I have a superiority complex.
That's a really good
I relate to
answer.
that.
Yes.
Can I steal that for a tweet? Thank you, Trinox. There's
There's
also Zig if you're
Yes.
particularly unhinged and adventurous. Are you particularly unhinged and adventurous just yet?
The thing is that there is no one that is using like Zig in Rust.
You just offended. Okay, in Rust, okay.
So I would say I don't think that I'm gonna do it because maybe I'm not so adventurous as you are, guys.
She's not sold yet. Transistor egg, package more Rust stuff for Void Linux man. You gotta get him. Get her.
It was fun when I was like making the workshop that lots of developers bring like macOS, and it was fun to like see them like deploying a Docker container in Mac. It was super fun, and mostly didn't get it. So robotics, I think that we have to think differently how we usually work rather than developers or just what I know. But I don't know.
Yeah. That's my point. It's hard to be first girl. Come on, we are not as smart as you. You're right.
I don't think so.
I mean, we're fucking man, right? We're just stupid. Yes, go ahead, man, all yours. I use Rust because I have imposter syndrome.
Oh, that's a really good answer. I have to say that being like the first girl, I don't think that I'm the first girl. Lots of women, maybe not lots, but
She is, but anyways.
But the thing is that when you are a woman in kind of like software development, I think that you have to be really, really good to be able to talk in a proper way. Because if not, it's like something good to be a woman in software development, but in the other half, I don't want the other people think that I'm like a woman in software. It means that I'm really, I don't know how to say, but sometimes being a woman in software development, it seems like you're really good because you're a woman, not because you're not good at it. And no, you have to be really good on software development to get other things that, yes, that woman is really good on software development. That's what I've seen.
Yeah.
And I feel sometimes like, no, it's like good to be a woman in software development, but no, you have to be really good also. So just to talk in property.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, what do you think about being the first ever girl that writes Rust, but not a furry?
I don't think so that I'm the first one.
Guys, are you furry first of all? Probably not.
I don't think so.
Okay, you're probably the first one.
I don't think so. I'm gonna make a question about it on LinkedIn about
No, don't.
if there is other women. No, because I don't want to segregate by sex.
I'm just joking, but
No. Yeah.
yeah, don't get offended, furries.
Tea time. Hi, Lucas. Lucas was in. Yeah. Remember.
Lucas is my man.
Yes.
We're making some bread, Lucas. Welcome.
I was stressed because I have imposter syndrome. Why? I think that having an imposter syndrome might be good because it makes you be better in what you think that you are not. It sounds strong when you say even stronger with our Irish accent. That's nice.
Zig sounds silly, yeah. I mean, Zig really
good.
sounds silly. Zig actually is very close to a swear word in Turkish. It's like Turkish people know that. Emirhan, just please list all the Turkish swear words related to Zig and stuff like that in chat. Thank you, man. So it's actually quite silly for me.
Now I have to look through if Zig is using in some robotics things. I'm really curious now.
Yeah. What do you mean we're not furries? I have no comment for that.
Me neither.
Yeah. You should write a book. I'll read in that hotel room alone. No, you're gonna die. Good night. I don't know how to pronounce it. İyi geceler. My man, take care. Thanks for tuning in, and I won't see you next time because I will be actually dead in my grave. Just life is over, but it was nice meeting you, my man. I'm gonna give you a virtual dab right now, my man. All right, see you. Yeah, this is just a swear word. Allow Rust because I don't have to
Good
manage
point.
memory,
Good
same
point.
as C or C++. I'm working with threads are
Yeah,
also much
good point.
easier.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
Please no Turkish slurs. I don't want to have to ban the whole channel. Guys, more Turkish slangs and swear words. Come on. Can we use your phone maybe because mine's about to die?
Yes. I think that Lucas was in the conference.
It says not the Lucas that we
No?
met. No.
Okay.
This Lucas is actually quite a ratatouille person.
Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, my name is a Turkish slur itself. You're probably not subscribed to my channel, right? So you're just trying to find my channel, right, guys? Are you subscribed?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's see.
What the heck?
No, not subscribed. Got him.
Now, yes.
Got him. She is not subscribed. She's on the channel though. Transistor, ban her. Ban her
Yeah, they can
from
ban
the
me.
channel.
Yeah.
Okay. You just the disappointment. You know that.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna just charge my phone.
Follow for follow. It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, what I've seen about C and C++ is totally true that about the memory. Like, you have to know how to manage really well the memory. And yeah.
What do people say about you?
Lucas, your avatar looks like the woman in the painting earlier.
Actually, yeah. Can we just show the painting again? Lucas, my man. I love you, but you look like this. Like, it's because it's super small pic. That's why. You don't actually look like this, but yeah. Also, what the fuck is this? Guys, we just brought this to my room, and how the fuck am I gonna sleep? I'm gonna knock on your door. Guys, are you ready?
Lucas says that just came in, did not see any. And our guy promises like warning, waking up one day and figure guns. Yeah, that's it. That's me, Lucas. Historically accurate breed. Right? Hang it crooked, please.
What?
Hang it crooked, please.
Actually, if they watched us, like from the security camera doing this, it's gonna be quite bad, I think.
Why?
Like, I mean, they would say, why would you change the fucking paintings in the rooms?
Because I would say that I was too scary that you see.
But I mean, you could just remove it from the wall, you know?
Put it on the couch, upside down. It's a really good observation, yeah.
But I mean, what would you think? Like there's two people staying in a hotel, they just change paintings. Like, what the fuck?
I will say that I was super scared and you saved me. And
Then why put it here?
because
Because I liked it. Because I liked it.
exactly.
Guys, we're gonna get into huge trouble. And when the lady on the counter says something in Polish, I'm just gonna respond with kurwa.
Don't do that, please. I think that will be worse.
I'm just gonna say, what was the other word for saying goodbye? Do we have the chat history here? Okay, I gotta find it. Okay, we don't have the chat history. Maybe we have. Okay, I don't remember the word for saying goodbye, but I'm just gonna say that. I'm just gonna end it with kurwa.
Not everybody rearrange.
I would say I'm moving portals around for fast travel. Wait, not everybody rearrange hotels rooms before leaving? I don't know. But we kind of changed. Okay, Lucas does not know.
You have the word now.
What?
You have the word.
Oh, nara. Yeah, nara kurwa. Just learn that and just say that.
Okay.
So Lucas, you don't have the context, but we basically, what did we do? Just explain.
We swap. We have like, now what we have is like pictured from Orhun, it's in my room, and my room picture is here. So because I thought that in my room I had this like picture that it like with its eyes it like stares at you and see like you look at the picture and you're like staring and the picture is like looking at you. So what we did is like swapping the pictures between
We didn't
yes.
like change anything in the room, but we changed between rooms. So,
Exactly. That was,
so yeah, it's fucked up, man. Just watch like 20, 30 minutes, rewind, and you'll see.
Exactly.
All right. So yeah. Good job, you two.
Yes, it was really. We had really fun like with this hotel. I think that it was like the best thing that we could have because we have really fun.
Also, we have the radio. Don't ever forget about the radio. It's fucking playing Polish. Okay, let me just play this for you.
It's like goodbye. The truth is, you were stealing. I have that on tape.
What does it say?
I have that on tape. I will call the cops. You have the right to remain silent.
I'm gonna delete the stream after we finish it. I'm not gonna make it available. I'm actually make it available to the subscribers, so not you.
Okay. No, yes, because I'm subscribing.
I'm just gonna kick you out. No worries. The truth is, you were stealing art, and we got it on clip. Actually, you could say that because we basically took it and replaced it. Put the painting if you want more fun. That's like a horror movie in Turkey.
Okay.
So it's like, I never watched it because I'm a pussy, but it's quite scary.
Okay.
Yeah. The menace bender from the hotel. Just joking, man. Chill. Hi, how's it going? We just chilling, man. I don't know what we're doing actually. We started as like a little interview, and then we did some theft, and then we kind of remixed some Polish radio.
Yes.
And
and we show like our hotel, a beautiful hotel.
And just drinking water from these.
Exactly. And talk a little about robotics and Rust.
Yeah, nobody cares about that.
Nobody cares. I think that's fine.
I mean, that's just boring us
Yeah,
now.
it's boring. Yeah, I know.
Good luck deleting my clips section. Clip section. Okay, I gotta like remove this live stream from the surface of the internet after this.
Makes sense.
From Rust to theory, that escalated quickly. I mean, come on, you gotta be like, finding a job in Rust is not easy. Would you agree?
I wouldn't say that.
You wouldn't say that?
No.
Why people are just looking for jobs then? Maybe you're too skilled? Have you ever thought about that?
I don't think
it was
so.
just too easy for you?
Well, I have to say.
Just tell me like, just tell me about your experience in finding jobs in Rust.
Okay, maybe Rust is not the best example, but I have to say that I find a guy who's looking for people who wants to like work in Rust in robotics. So maybe it's only one, but it's more than nothing. So.
But it's quite a niche sector, I think.
But I think that's gonna increase, and I've seen lots of jobs seeking for Rust developers. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but.
I mean, yeah, there are more jobs, but it's still hard to. It's still hard to get, I think.
That's because you have to be really good. I don't know why. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But maybe if you have a really good portfolio.
Well, if it was like 3 or 4 years ago, you could probably get like a crypto job if you just browse LinkedIn. But these days, that's not the hype anymore.
Okay.
So AI is the hype. So like there's in there.
Yeah, I've seen also the same in robotics.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to say that I like to look through full remote jobs, and 2 years ago was more easy than now. I think that maybe people, as you said, now it's AI, so yeah, it's hard to find some like fun project that it's not what everyone wants to do. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would be like more correct to say that it's hard to find a job that fits you super well. Like,
exactly.
Because I mean, I want to like work in open source and Rust project. also make money. How is that even possible? You know.
It's happened the same to me because I really like to develop open source / not open source application in robotics, but also make money from this. And it's hard. Yeah, it's really hard because all the companies sometimes don't want to use open source like libraries. Other ones maybe wants to use really not really beautiful technologies. Yeah, it's hard, and it's what I'm like now that I'm trying to find full remote jobs. It's not easy, but you have to work hard.
Yeah.
But maybe if when you find the right job, you're gonna earn lots of money because you're gonna be the only person that knows about this. I don't know. Maybe you can turn around this. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky.
Yes.
As always.
Oh, that's a really good question.
Do you like AI?
I have to say that I like AI because it helps me to make documentation because I really hate about making documentation. And it's really easy to ask now to please can you make me readmes? Then you have to review it, yes for sure. And also I have to say that I like kind of helping software development because I don't have to think about the basic development code and then I can be more good in adding new algorithms in my code. But I think that we should know about how AI works because it's going to be the present and the future, and as developers we are going to need to work with AI, and maybe in the future AI is going to make our jobs. We have to think about this at least we have to.
Yeah, I mean it's really good for dogs. I agree with that, but I mean still I think it kind of makes us lose the actual attention in detail in engineering skills because you don't look into things, you just get the code and just use it as is, which is a bit bad.
Yes, but you can think about other parts that might be good. For example, you can develop different applications quicker than before, for example.
Yeah.
But you have to be there also because AI sometimes does not do what we really want to do.
Yeah. Here in Poland, we either have enormous legacy code bases or crypto scam. That's why I like Poland. Kurwa. Now people are vibe coding everything, but not Rust though. I think game development because mostly closed source, therefore no training data for AI, so game is safe for now. Knowing the right skills won't get you anywhere. Knowing the right people will. The industry had turned into his last year. Expecting you to swear to AI. I will start learning COBOL.
Oh, COBOL! Wow.
Have you ever done anything like that?
No, but I heard about this. Wow.
You today said something like your first programs or something was on a typewriter.
Yes.
Tell us about that. How did that happen?
But it was not like a program. It's just like when I
just typing.
I was just typing. Yeah, when I was young, there was like an activity that you can do after work, after the school, that it was learning typing. So I was there. I really hate on that time because I wasn't really good on. But now I think that something helped to be like a software developer.
Thanks to AI, you lose understanding of the programming. That's what I was saying, Lucas. Thank you, my man.
I think that for the newest software developers, I don't know, maybe there are gonna be some guys that are gonna be like really good on software development and wanna like have books to learn about this, but there's gonna be other software developers that they wanna like care about knowing what they are doing. So yeah. I agree.
I already did. He's gone already.
My first program was with a pen and a paper. Wow! And what is it? In middle school. Wow! Congratulations.
I was writing Pascal. This guy is a legend, I'm telling you.
Yes.
Yeah. Trianox, you're a real grinder, man.
Okay.
So this Daxilo thing is my project.
Pascal is really difficult.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just plug my project real quick because my moderator just mentioned it. Thank you, Transtorque. So I made a program where like it changes, like it runs in the background, and whenever you type a key on your keyboard, just makes a typewriter sound.
Okay. Oh.
So it's
nice.
like it's fun. I can show it to you later.
Okay.
It's
yeah.
flex, guys. I mean, my bad, but like flexing as always. I'm so happy there wasn't AI when I started programming.
Yes, I
I would
agree.
be in their shoes, literally.
I agree, I totally agree. Me too. And I have to say that I started like robotics as a industrial engineer, which I'm not really proud about because I didn't know how to program or I didn't learn in my degree. And I have to say that after I realized that I wasn't really good on software development, I started to learn a lot. And not having the AI helped me because if not, maybe I shouldn't like learn and go deep inside. So yeah, that's it.
I'm just checking
I'm so
some
happy.
stuff. 1 second, guys.
I am old. I should start with Pascal. Wow, Pascal as a kid. Wow, that's really huge. Pascal as a kid. I was sometimes, yeah. I think that, yeah, that's maybe what you made the good, like, for the best software developer that you are. So yeah.
This guy changed the world probably, and we
Yes.
don't know.
Yes. How many
Just put my
years
phone here because
do we have?
far.
How many years experience do you guys have? I started my industrial engineer degree in 2011, and I started parallelly in research centers in robotics, making parallel projects. So let's say 10 years, but with full like hands-on software development, I would say 7 years more or less.
You're a senior.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a senior, guys. You can feel bad.
I don't know if it's good or bad.
It's very
It's a really
very
long
cool.
journey.
Very cool.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, she's a keynote speaker, so what else do you expect? Whereas I am actually spending, what, 5 years with Rust at this point, 6 years? Like, I mean, is it not even, that's not even comparable.
But I don't know.
And open source, which, I mean, you worked at companies, right?
Yes.
I was just doing fun projects, you know? But,
Okay.
yeah, whatever.
But I think that
I lost this battle, guys.
in open source projects, maybe you learn more about what you're like maybe doing. I don't know, because in companies you have also always to do what the company wants to do, and it's not funny.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's hard. When you do open source, it's like I want to do this project, so you get, I don't know.
You are free.
Yes, exactly.
Let's return Pascal to the masses and basic as well. What do you think about basic?
I did a basic like program when I was in my first after like my master's degree, my first master's degree in industrial, and it was funny because I was there, and nobody wants to make like a program that passes from JSON to TSV, like Excel.
Mm-hmm.
And it was super funny because I was like making a really basic program and nobody else wanted to program that. And for me it was easy to like learn and to develop. Maybe it was not the best code that I ever made, but it was fine.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I never written basic. One of my first languages was
Colobot, wow.
C++, like language used to teach programming in a video game.
Wow.
That's a flex now.
Yes. Do you have it?
Yeah, just do you have the link? Let's take a look.
Exactly. That would be nice to see.
You guys are bullying me? Come on, I'm writing code for the last 5 minutes. I respect the grind. Why is the ground shaking? Did you feel that?
Yes, it's a train.
Are you sure that's the train?
Maybe not. I would like to think that it's a train.
Yeah, okay, guys, we just pretend that that's the train, but I don't think
Yes.
so.
Mehmet is totally right. That I feel like working in companies my turn to a no-learn journey. Yes. Normally, when I turn into this specific point, I start to look through other jobs just to go to another thing. Yeah. Because I don't like getting bored about what I'm doing. So maybe I'm a bit like different, but I don't know. Yeah. That's how I felt when I was working a full-time as a full-time. Yeah, makes sense. Basically, every day I was reflecting APIs, wow, and stuff. Yeah, not good. Yeah, I was meaning Visual Basic. Maybe it's another thing. Feel sorry if I, yeah, maybe I swapped. It was Visual Basic C#. Yeah, I was working with this when I.
Scratch program languages go to. What are your opinions on C#? And Lucas says it's not Rust.
It's not Rust, yeah. It's not Rust. I would say that it's kind of like C, maybe a bit more.
C# is actually, yeah, it's
like more modern than C, but not much.
Have you used like Visual Basic and C# but like Windows Forms?
I don't think so.
You didn't?
I don't think so.
That was quite a fun time in my life actually. This Windows Forms thing.
Okay.
Like I had this Visual Basic 2010 Express installed, and I was just able to drag and drop buttons and text boxes.
Wow, no, I
And
haven't
just-
seen it.
I was just making GUIs, guys. I'm sorry to admit that, but like making GUIs and shit like that. But it was fun and good times. I was playing Minecraft, writing Java.
Sounds good then.
Java, as in the Java like prompts, like, you know, not AI prompts, like the yes and no prompt shit.
Yes.
What is that called again? Java option, whatever. So good times, no Rust and no stress and no ghosts.
Yes.
So yeah.
Exactly. C# for 4 years. Wow. Wow, that's a lot. I don't know if there are many companies still working with C# now.
Java Swing, yeah, that's the one that I was trying to remember. Do you know Java Swing?
No.
Yeah, that's the GUI thing.
Good thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I always in robotics we don't use normally Java. Just for example, for the user interfaces, things that I'm not really into it. Yeah.
Grind++. It's a good language. What do you think about the whole grind movement?
I think that's beautiful.
Guys, you heard
That's
it.
really beautiful because I think that's like a common point that you can share different like grinding experience that you are doing, guys. I think that also robotics could like have a really good point there. So yeah, sometimes I have to say that you need a common point to share about your creations with other people, and I think that grinding is a really good place.
Would you say that you are grinding right now? Or grinding anything?
Yes, I'm
project-wise?
grinding. So last year I had I could afford like a go-to robot. It's like a quadruped robot,
Yeah.
and I'm like having some ideas in mind, and I would like to have the robot at home. Just grab me a beer, for example, and I want to get ready everything and have like that saying some voice commands, the robot know what it could do. But it's a lot of time that you have to do because lots of things.
Yeah,
that
you're a
involve.
bit lazy, I see, but it's for a good cause. I like it.
Yes, and also to think about to make my washing machines, it's like what I needed.
It's actually,
Yes.
yeah, we can think about it like this. You want to make time for other grinds. Because
Exactly.
you don't want to spend some time in some wasted grind time.
Exactly.
and shit.
Yeah. Exactly.
So yeah, well, I'm writing Java applets before even Adobe Flash. That was good times too. Hello, Gromit. Gromit, you have missed all the action. We swapped swapped the paintings in the room
It was super funny.
her room, and yeah, it was so good.
It was super fun.
Anyways, we should clip that and give it to the police. Grind that tea like hardcore British person.
Okay.
Do you like tea?
I love tea. I
Green
love-
tea?
Yeah, I love it.
Donuts?
Donuts and green tea. Yeah. Yeah.
Dragons?
Dragons too. Yeah. Yeah.
She's from the club, guys. Want to grind an agent framework
Agent
in
framework.
Rust with Pio 3?
Pio 3, I heard that yesterday with a guy who was like, I think that he was developing or like helping in Pio 3 community, or like, it's like, I didn't know what it was, and then I saw that the bindings were, it was like, then I understood what it was. And I think that it's awesome because when I'm giving such like talks about integrating Rust 2 with Rust, and that's it, lots of people is talking me, but why don't you use bindings when you have lots of nodes and technology developed with C++ and also Python? And that's a really good question. So I saw that technology yesterday, and I was really happy to learn about this. So yeah, I think that's a really good idea.
Yeah. There's a question for, is Julia also using Linux on a daily basis? If so, which distro? I think you use Void Linux, right?
Ubuntu, yeah. What I'm using, yeah. It's normally what we use in robotics.
Sorry, I was just...
I'm not as pro as you guys, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm just a robotics developer, so I know how to integrate lots of things, but maybe I'm not really good on low level technology.
We have one Void Linux, at least one Void Linux, and at least one Arch Linux maintainer in the chat right now.
Maybe we can try if in this we can ban her. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, yeah. You can. No, but I have to say that you have to think, guys, that in robotics everything works different. So you have to have really good graphic cards, because we use specific simulators, and Ubuntu gives you the way. But maybe you can help me to use another distro.
Excuses.
Okay, if anyone wants to help me, I'm really open to try what I really do on my daily robotics things and try another Ubuntu distro. Yeah. I heard you mocking me, Orhun. RCCC that Ubuntu. The thing is that there was one guy using Arch, and
me.
I think that my workshop didn't work in his computer, and
skill issue. Not your issues. Yeah.
And I feel bad because I'm okay, it should work everywhere, but I think that there is something regarding the graphical side about the simulators that we are using, that you need a specific Ubuntu. But maybe I'm wrong, and I would like to check with you guys if you are maintainers in other distro. I would be really happy to help. Void Linux, but move back to Linux Mint. Okay. I have to say that there is one guy in Barcelona that uses another distro from Linux that I don't know the name now. I don't know the name. But Spanish? No way, Spanish. Orhun. Good God.
I'm just making jokes. Okay.
Not sure we have any robotics software.
Can you just confirm?
That's it. That's what this guy says. That he's not sure that we have any robotics software packed on Void Ubuntu. That's it. That I think that only Ubuntu.
Don't say stuff like that, Stranger. Come on, we're trying to promote the projects here. Come on.
But if you want to help me to try my projects in other distros, I'm really happy to.
No, I don't want.
You don't want? Okay, yeah, I understand. So then.
It's gonna be your own grind. But can you just confirm that I'm joking with the whole Spanish and Ubuntu thing?
Yes,
because people try to cancel me on the internet.
No, he's joking.
Yeah, I'm not. But anyways, Endeavor OS is also if you're lazy. I mean, at this point, if you're gonna use any Arch derivative and stuff like that, just use NixOS, I guess, right?
Yes, I've heard about NixOS, but for me it was hard to use it because I'm not as good as you in software, so low level developer. But I will think that it has a really big impact in the future. Yeah, lots of people love using it. Try to remember. Find the Spaniards.
My bad. Sorry, guys.
You want to user height, you want as well. It's kind of low on height. Okay, thank you. Yeah. You have to think that I'm not come from a software engineer or how is it called, software
idiot or something.
Software, no, it's computer science.
Dumbass, okay.
Computer science. So I come from an engineer where there I didn't learn much about coding and about how a computer works. So I've been learn by doing, and yeah, maybe I should know more how it works But yeah, I'm doing cool stuff still, so yeah, I'm happy. So software development, yes. What do you mean?
Just yes.
Yes.
He asked the question. Software development,
okay.
Yes.
What's that? Yeah, really good question. Yeah, computer science. what I wanted to mean. Yeah.
Yeah, some geekery basically.
Yes.
Just writing some runes and doing something. Well,
Yes.
I mean, yeah, that's basically the whole magic.
Yes.
Ubuntu
Exactly.
lags all the time because of package issues and shit. I need a reboot. Do you ever like?
It had the
experience
same
that?
issue. Yeah, my computer, and I have to update the firmware, and I don't want to, and it's super slow now. Yeah, I totally agree. I thought that it was my computer that maybe has been hacked, but no, I don't know.
Wait, you're hacked,
No, I don't think so.
but you were hacked today. Right?
Yes, but in
Guys,
my Instagram.
she got hacked. Happens. Have you ever done any tutorials or educational content on maintaining Arch packages? Would love someday to contribute to AUR and give something back to the community. I don't think I have done any talks on that recently. There's one talk that I did in 2020, but I was a different person back then.
I haven't, so I cannot
Yeah.
talk about this.
Yeah, so, but I mean, it's very straightforward. Just hit me up. I can help you. We can do a one-to-one session even. I
Ooh.
can just, yeah, it's fun. I can show everything. Just hit me up on Discord, grindhouse.dev. Moderators, drop the join Discord link. Come on, Transistor, where are you? We need people to actually do their work. All right, join the Discord. Computer nerdistry. I'm also willing to switch to robotics and embedded. That's your guy.
I think so. I think that it's a beautiful world because you can see, for example, we had. Can you give me the? So in the Rust Meet conference, the guys, they have done a really fantastic job, and they have given us this that is like SP32. It's like a board. So what they have done is they have put this battery. They have done everything. So it's beautiful. It's really beautiful what they've done, these guys.
It's flex.
Yes. So this is the battery, okay, and here's the screen. So I don't have battery, but you can. There was a workshop that they give about how to change the logo here, written everything in Rust. So it's firmware, and you can you have different pins here that can be an input/output. So you can work with it. And I think it's awesome because you have hardware, just not software. For me, only software is boring. I need hardware to do something and think about this.
I told you I hacked, downloaded the UEFI and disabled the internet. Yeah, I mean, you got hacked though,
Yes.
for real, right?
Yes, but it's what's in my Instagram, my personal Instagram.
There, people just trying to hack our Instagram. I don't know why. That wasn't me, by the way. Sorry, my bad.
Maybe it was after the conference. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
People were sending starships to outer space and using punch cards and 8 kilobytes. So remember, you're falling from grace for sure. I mean, we should land on moon at this point, for the second time, right?
Exactly.
We have
yeah.
Rust and everything, robotics. We have this thing
Exactly.
and stuff. So
Yeah, one of the things about software development in robotics is that sometimes you have critical projects like medical or space that you need a really low level language just to be efficient, and yeah, that's how it works. So yeah, I think Rust has a really good side in the future of robotics. So yeah.
people ask you, did you try MicroPython for some embedded project?
No, I didn't. I'm more specialized in the application projects rather than in the embedded project. I have to say that I was working in a company who has a robot that flies up to the stratosphere. And what this company had is a custom PCB, but they weren't using C++, not MicroPython. Mm-hmm. So I think that it's worth a try to try. So I might look through this. So I think that's a really good idea. I have to say that I like working with C++ because it's mostly what I've been working with. Python, I think that with the changes that they have done, it has improved a lot. But maybe it was a try toward the MicroPython. So yeah.
Yeah. I got 20 plus Raspberries, it's 50 ESPs and lots of Arduinos waiting for me, just flexing. I need to find the right time to start working on them with a lot of in the Netherlands because it was cheap compared to where I live. I have things I don't really know. I just bought tons of stuff related to robotics, embedded cards, the projects where it waits. Just go to find a bridge and just very, very big code and just
Exactly.
put everything underneath that and just sell them to people who are just coming
It's a really
close to
good
you.
idea.
And
Yeah.
you can just make a lot of money, like a drug dealer, but more like a ESP dealer or some shit, bro.
Yes, sounds good.
But I mean, yeah, just build something, just grind, bro.
Yes.
You know how it is. ESP for the win, love those boards. NASA probably still has these draconian software requirements. Do you have any idea of how the space and robotics stuff work?
Yes, they have like different layers of safety, so the code cannot be released. So I was like in a I don't know what's it called, but it's like a conference, not a conference, it was like a meetup. It was about 1 month, and they were talking about this. If you want, I can share with you the slides, because I know where to find this. And the thing is that ROS wasn't using until now, so they would like to start using ROS, but I think that they're using everything mostly embedded and custom code, and they have different layers of safety that the code should like fulfill before like going to production. It's not easy to work with the space. It's really difficult. Yeah. Still has their draconian so far. Could be, yeah, I think that could be right, because there are a really big requirements in software in NASA, so you cannot release, so you have like different ways to test. It's super difficult, yeah.
Sometimes rules are for rookies.
Could be.
JPL has their own standard for writing C++.
Yes. Misra, C++ could be. I think that I don't know exactly, because I've been not looked through this, but should be. Maybe, I think that they are using some embedded like language and low level. Yeah.
Have you tried out Zig?
No.
No?
And you?
Yeah, Zig is great. It's
Zig
the
is great,
future.
yeah. Okay.
It's the future, I'm telling you.
Okay. Okay.
You should try out at some point.
Okay.
Because I mean, you did C and C++, right? So Zig, low level, embedded.
Okay.
I don't know. Could be.
But I haven't heard much about Zig, in robotics. In robotics.
You could be the first one.
You could be the first one, yeah.
just like
I have to
dominate the industry in Zig and robotics. That's what I did with the Rust and TUI stuff.
And you,
right, guys?
You made it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm here in this very luxurious hotel, drinking curva water and shit. So I don't know. I guess I did it. I don't know. Wait, 30 years of Zig one, and then we can talk. Okay, just wait for 30 years.
30 years, okay. Maybe I'm gonna be retired. I hope so, but let's see.
I know that feel so many projects only one life, and they have so many.
To write everything in Zig.
That's
I like this
definitely
idea.
what I go through. Always so many things to finish currently, and the projects can only stay in IDSLE. I feel you, man. It's tough. It's tough. Yeah, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Yeah, about so many projects, only one life. So today is actually our last day, probably.
Okay, yeah, I think so.
So is there
Yeah.
anything that you would do before you go right now in terms of projects, or like any dream thing that you want to build, maybe? Because you got to start soon, I guess.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, I would like to finish my project with my dog. That would be nice.
What is that?
It's like having my dog making these washing machines, and having the control of my house.
Oh.
And just
okay.
relax and program. So that is what I would like. And just, yeah.
Is it open source?
My main project?
Yeah.
No, because I needed to finish. No, not yet. No.
That's not like how it works though.
Yeah, I know.
Like, you don't make something open source after you finish it.
No, because, yeah, the thing is that what I've managed until now is like having, or being able to, I had to hack the robot because it wasn't open. So now I have the control of the robot. I can access to the Rust things of the robot. So now I'm gonna start what I wanted to do. Yeah, and also I think that like using Ratatouille for like not you needed so many like terminals in Rust. I think that would be nice also. And integrating some parts of Rust into it using, I have to think about that.
Just hit me up. I'm available for contract.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, we have some comments. Kurva nice hotel with kurva nice hours and awesome kurva fix water. What a life, yeah. How did you learn about this meetup that you are attending? They invited us for
Yes.
giving the keynotes, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
They kind of like approached me while I was going under a bridge.
Exactly. Me too.
And they were like, yo, bro, you look like a nice guy. You want to give a keynote? I'm like, okay, because I mean, there was some guy with the gun. And I was like, fuck, yeah, I mean, okay, sure. And then we kind of ended up here.
Yeah, me too. It was the same. It was like going like out from my like when I finished my like talk and he reached me out. It was like, wow, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
let's go.
I said yes immediately.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, because I heard Poland.
And I have to say that they
Yeah.
have been really, really nice with us.
Yeah.
Really good people and really good professionals. Yeah.
Yeah, they are great. This hotel gives me Succession vibes. I don't know what that means. Like, do you know what Succession vibes would mean here? Like, I don't see any success other than just completing life here. Just dying.
Succession vibe. I don't know. Me neither. I can smell the dirty hotel curtains. Yeah.
Video stream bits. What do you mean? Do you mean like we have bad quality or anything like that? Because I don't see that. Rewrite it in Zig Riz. Wow, dude, that's clever.
Yes.
Where will be the talks of Rust Meet be uploaded, or are they already? So they are not, but they're actually available. Did you check Vimeo yet?
Not yet.
So there is like go to the live stream link for Rust Meet, and there's like all the talks available already recorded, but not being split to different sections and uploaded. But it's actually recorded, and you can just watch them right now on Vimeo.
I can share with you the link.
If you send it to chat, they won't be able to see it because you cannot share links in chat.
Okay.
That's just YouTube. I don't know why.
Okay, I don't know.
But maybe our moderator can do it for us. I don't
Yes.
know if he can, but chance to my man. Come on, help us out. Open source washing machine dog.
I could do this, yeah, but not washing machine. I just want the robot to put the washing machine. So like just to press the button, select the right clothes, and put it there. I think that should be perfect for what I need. I think that other people needs that in their life. Yeah.
They picked Orhun only because of his hat. For the keynote, they mean.
Sorry?
They picked me because of my hat for the keynote.
Could be. I would say because I think that you are like people like talks really good about yourself and about your humor. I think that people loves you.
They just picked me for my humor, guys. Can we find the keynote online? What did you think about the keynote, by the way?
What do you mean with keynote?
Like my keynote.
I think that was perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to say that I hadn't seen such amazing way to share a presentation before. It was like regarding software development. It was like perfect. It was like, what the hell? How you're doing this in a presentation? It was like live encoding meanwhile presenting, but in a presentation it was like amazing.
Yeah, guys, I flexed so hard in that. If we can get a link in the chat, that would be nice. But yeah, anyways.
Yeah.
Not Succession vibes, but grandma home vibes maybe. Yeah, I mean, do you also feel the same about this hotel room?
Yes.
Like grandma.
Yes.
Is your grandma living in a place like this, or?
I had a call with my family before coming here, and my grandma was there because he lives with my family, and he told me, "Wow, it's in the curtains from my room." It was like, "Oh my god." It was like this.
Yeah, really.
It was like this.
But no, like these type of paintings, right?
But I have to say that your curtains are better than mine. Mine is older.
Yeah. Was his muscle visible? If so, his keynote is fire. What did you think during the keynote?
What? Where is this? I cannot see it.
Is it like you? Yeah,
Okay.
it's here.
Okay.
Here, just scroll down.
Yes, was his muscles visible? Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, guys. Just watch the keynote. It's
And also, I have to say that when you put you bring a ratatouille, like
apron.
yes, and it was like beautiful. It was like, wow, I want one of them. Yeah, he starts. I think it was your second because he talked too. Your first talk was about how to like help and make open source code, and in the second one was beautiful. And he puts, and it was like, oh my god, I like this guy.
I gotta admit, that part I kind of freestyled it. I didn't I was not planning to say this is gonna be cooking class or something. I'm not gonna spoil it. So that was kind of freestyled, but I am glad that it's turned out.
It was. I didn't expect that. It was awesome. Yeah, it was really awesome. You have to. You shared in LinkedIn that photo. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, you have to see. You have to check it, guys.
Kudos to Julia for handling the chat's humor.
I like this humor. I feel really comfortable.
Guys, great. We should be more aggressive. I think we can switch to the next level.
Yeah, you should.
Let's just cancel Julia, guys.
Well, maybe I can go on with my goals. Don't worry.
Grandmaster.
Yeah, I have to say
3000.
that I hadn't cooked much code because sometimes I feel that as other guys said, the imposter syndrome. I always feel that I know much to make open source code, no? But the thing is that just only need to start with something and then you can change it. So yeah, but as we were talking about today, is what to make something that impact others. It's hard to find sometimes. Mm-hmm. But when you find, I think that you should go for it. So yeah.
Yeah, we're just trying to inspire people, guys.
Yes.
Exactly. Be your inspirational souls that is about to die in the hotel room in about 4 hours and 30 seconds. So
yes.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yes.
Next notch on the knob is 11 at this point, improvising, public speaking. Finding a good team is like a miracle. How open source really works. Don't get it. Actually, it's I mean, I don't know. Like it works because you find the like-minded people right away when you are contributing to an open source project. It's like people are there because they want to make the project better, so they make the right decisions. They're not planning, they're not aiming to make some stakeholders or their boss happy.
Yes,
they just want to make the project better. So you usually you're on the same page with them. So it works quite well. And yeah, it's really fun because you kind of learn how things should actually work instead of doing some stupid things just to please someone and shit like that. It's yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Do you practice or set up some paragraphs before that giving speaks? If so, how? You can reply to that if you want.
The thing is that the first time that I started to give speeches, I think that was 2 years ago. I'm one of the organizers of the Rose Meetup Barcelona because what I really like is to have the common point, to have different people that about robotics, AI, and also computer vision, a common point, and to be able to. And the thing is that nobody wanted to do this, so I was there and I started to make speech and make other people speak, and that's it. So at the beginning it was just preparing paragraphs and having everything ready and knowing what you should say on every time. But I have to say that after different talks, I've seen that you have to have fun about what your speech. So if you are having fun and you are making, I don't know, what I did in the last in my talk in here in Rasmeet, I made I don't know if you know what is a Mentimeter. It's something like people can vote about their knowledge about specific technologies. So I saw which kind of people I had in the public. So I changed the speech to them, and it was super funny for me because it was I could like impact to others because I'm like more in robotics side, not much as you guys, as you are more in like in software, or like I don't know how to like differentiate because I'm more in the application side. So the thing is that I was telling to people that every day does really fantastic things about robotics, and for them I was inspiring in the other way, not in just in the code itself. It's just inspiring about how they can develop like awesome applications with Rust in robotics. So that's what I've learned, that you have to have fun and to learn about also your audience.
Yeah, I agree with that, and also I'd like to add, so when I first started, I was basically adding notes to each slide.
Exactly. Yeah.
And like, you know, just writing paragraphs sometimes, or adding examples. But then I moved on with my like presentations, and I realized I'm not really like reading them or not using them a lot. So these days, I showed you the presentation tool and stuff. You could add notes to the presentations, but I don't. Instead, I keep I keep the slides very simple, and I just like talk over it. I know what to talk about, but I don't like use notes or like paragraphs. I just like kind of freestyle it. I think that's like better in terms of making it more like fluent or like organic or interactive or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with the open source discussion now. Open source maintainers also like to know how FOSS works. Don't worry, real open source is having do what the fuck you want license. Yeah, but there's also very toxic part in open source as well in repo managers too. I'll do it when I get rich.
That's fun.
I mean, if you get rich, just hit me up. We can do it together. You know how it is. Open source is just fun and unfunny amount of hard work.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
There's Rust Meet Barcelona.
I think I've like searched really quick yesterday. I think that there is one group. I hadn't think before to like contact them because what I was doing is like showing or getting robotics people used to like Rust now is what I was thinking when I was doing these talks. But now after this talk, I have the other side of the. So maybe that's I'm gonna contact them, and maybe I'm gonna be also there because I think that's nice to be both sides. Get
me invited.
Okay, sounds good.
Guys, I got a deal.
Yes, sounds good.
I'm flying to Barcelona and having fun.
Quin, com és? Que no m'he donat. It's in Catalan. I have to say that I searched it yesterday. So if you search for Rust Meet or Rust Barcelona, there is a group there. So I don't know, but I would encourage you to look through this because I don't know.
Yeah.
But if not, you can come to the Rust Meet at Barcelona. It's not Rust, but you will find really cool people there too.
It's a Rust. Yeah, it's very close thing. So yeah.
Yes.
Got it. What do you guys think about LinkedIn professors? I mean, they're, I don't know.
What is LinkedIn professors? I don't know.
Like, I don't know. Just people on LinkedIn, I guess. Professors.
Ah.
I mean, they're chill, you know, they're like on their 60s and 70s and like chill.
I have to say that I have one or two professors that I really love, like follow them because they are doing like really interesting things and they are inspiring a lot of people. So I like to have them.
Yeah,
like,
they are like kind of cringe sometimes, but you know, you gotta balance out the sanity in our lives sometimes and just exchange it for what the hell was that? What the hell?
Some applause.
Did you applause? What?
Seriously.
Okay, we got an applause from the kid. You got an applause from the kid, guys. Good. Thank you, my man. I appreciate it, my man. You're too young for this, but I see that you appreciate it, so thanks. All right. You need to have fun when you're giving some talk. A bunch of strange people. I'm talking about programmers, of course. Yeah, of course. So once I'm gonna tell you a funny story. I gave a talk about terminals, and I was like, I put a lot of memes in there, and the audience was just old people. So like they didn't understand anything. Like they were not laughing. Like some young guys were just laughing and shit. But I won't tell which conference and which talk this was. But like it didn't work out. But it was recorded, so it was funny on the internet. It was funny on the internet, but in real life, I was just like cracking jokes, putting memes, and like the audience was just dead ass serious looking at me, like they're trying to like consume the content, just still processing. But anyways,
Memes are good. I think it's really good
Yeah.
memes. Yeah, yeah.
Rod Harris, LinkedIn professor. So Rod Harris is a guy that runs a truck company.
Okay.
So you can like actually buy ads for trucks.
Okay.
So I added him on LinkedIn. He's just been doing this for 30, 40 years, whatever.
Wow.
And I was like trying to like get a Ratatouille banner for a truck and shit like that.
Wow, that's good.
Flex, guys.
Okay.
I'm so tired to see fake motivation videos on my LinkedIn feed. Am I the only one who gets them? Do you like use LinkedIn a lot? I think you do.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah.
But I have to say that I don't like how the direction of LinkedIn is going, because I feel like it's less like professional. It's more like. But I don't have any other like. I was thinking about creating a profile in Instagram, because I think that maybe young people like to use Instagram, but I don't feel that it's gonna be. I don't know. I have some doubts on what is gonna be the future in social media.
Yeah. I'm so excited and thrilled to announce that I'm breathing air. Yeah, I mean, one day I'm just gonna post something like that just to troll people. I mean, I like LinkedIn because it's a good meme place.
Yeah.
So
That's
yeah.
it. Yeah. I have upgraded my home village to level 10.
I only follow personal coaches on LinkedIn.
I have LinkedIn, yeah. Yeah. I think that I have both sides. I hate because I think that I don't like the direction that it's going, but also I think that's the only way that I can like publish professional things at the same time. It's strange.
Mm-hmm.
People is talking a lot about blue sky now. I don't know how do you think?
It's good. It's like it's gonna replace Twitter probably, hopefully. So yeah, is it possible to send a LinkedIn URL on this chat? I want to show a post. Sadly, no URLs allowed. But yeah, send it on Discord and I can, or Translator can just paste it maybe. So yeah.
140 stream.
Yeah, I mean that's just the quality that we get these days, but we still get applause from this kid. So like we're doing some things right at least.
At least.
Yeah. Sometimes the ground shakes and we get like weird sound, like voices and sounds from this kid, and yeah. But it's fine, and we're still alive at least. LinkedIn is the place where everyone is an expert of something and master of nothing.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. Yeah, but I have to say that I love the people who just publish memes about things. It's like it has lots of hype. I love this kind of person that just like having fun with memes about technologies.
Can I just do a little criticism towards LinkedIn posts, because I see this a lot. People tend to just like put paragraphs of text into each post. Like I don't know who invented this thing, but like you don't have to put like a lot of text and like explanations into things that you're sharing basically.
Yeah.
And you don't have to like, I don't know, I don't like this a lot. Like even though you're sharing something basic, you just have to put a lot of paragraphs, which I don't, but I see a lot of people do. So yeah. Sent on Discord also is it in Warsaw? What is? I'm not sure if I get it. So let me check it.
Yeah, it's normal that people hate LinkedIn.
Yeah, this
I
is
can get it.
Yeah, okay, I cannot show it to you. One sec.
No, the Rust meet was in Gliwice. It's in Krakow, next to Krakow.
Yeah, this. Okay,
Yeah,
I cannot show it to you. One
exactly.
second. This is just a bit weird.
Of Rust coming. Okay, good question. For me, the ownership, it was on the life cycles, lifetime. But these both parts, I needed to write it or read it multiple times. But I have to say that I'm not the seniority of Rust, I have to admit, but not being able to write classes by itself, just having a struct that does everything, I really like it, because just only have structs. And the hardest part was, I think that was like the ownership and also the lifetimes, or the life cycles, I don't know how it goes, because you have to know rhythm. But the compiler itself, I think that's really good because it explains a lot of things. C++, sometimes it's hard because you get, for example, like, I don't know how it calls that, exclamation fault, and then you have to go to the, to check what it does, trace by trace, it's different. So yeah, I think that Rust it's much better regarding this. It tells you more about what is going on rather than C++ sometimes, yeah.
I feel so tired. I think I'm worse than losing yourself in a legacy symphony code.
Yes, I have to say that my experience with C++, sometimes it's hard when you are developing some code and you don't know what is going on with the code. So you have to check lots of things, and sometimes it's just like going through the traces and check where it fails, and then it might be another thing that you don't know. Sometimes it's hard, and it's those days I don't like to be like a software developer, because it's like I don't know where to go to find this, and you have to debug a lot, and yeah, it's hard. And also the tools that maybe C++ has regarding debugging doesn't help you sometimes to see everything that you need. Yeah, that's it. Classes, inheritance, yeah, and lifetime was hard, yeah. Yes, that's it. I need to cook more in like to have like an open source like project in Rust, just, I know, and just to like put more hands on of yeah. I think that when you code or you want to learn a language, you have to develop a lot about this language itself. But on the other hand, I think that being able to have as the language itself giving you this ownership and everything, it's really good, because you don't implicitly you don't think about this. So I think that's nice, because in C++ you have to think by yourself about this. So I think that's nice to have a code that, for example, memory leaks, if you are not a really good developer, sometimes you are like getting a lot of it. And the newest C++, it's better because it has like shared pointers and that's it. But if you are using like legacy code, it's hard, because you have to implement lots and delete memories, and it's what it is. Yeah. I also enjoy the simple procedure code style. Okay, Jake, we have to think about Jake. Okay, everyone is talking about Jake now.
That's good.
Okay, reads. Okay. Yeah, Rust compiler like was a lifesaver. Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. Yeah. The version that I mostly use is C++11. I think that lots of companies still using C++11 because there is lots of legacy code. Yeah. I was working with a code with more than 500 entries with a nearly, wow. Ask the file location to leads and send you, wow. Because Control P, I don't know which ID you are using, but you cannot find those specific like files. I don't know. How is Rust can be written a procedural? I don't know this question. Yes, it's true. More and more going to, C++ 14 or 20, I think, yeah. My point now is, I don't know if, it's a really good question. I don't know if I should like stop like learning a version of C++ and go to Rust and be a seniority in Rust. I don't know, I'm like in this point, I don't know where to go, where I should go. Because I don't know where robotics also will go. I don't know. I hope that Rust is gonna have a really good future in robotics. I really like Rust, but I don't know. Maybe Zeke, I have to search for Zeke. Maybe it's gonna be the future.
You'll probably gonna have to experiment a bit, but it's fun, really.
It's fun, okay.
Maybe use Julia.
I always say this as a like, I don't know how it's called, but I always say that I need to learn Julia to say, hello, I'm Julia, I'm gonna explain about Julia, but it's just a joke. Okay?
You never done it? Like you never learned Julia?
No, but I only want to learn Julia to say, to like a joke, to make us a joke. I think it would be fine to say. But Julia, it's not, as far as I know, it's not being used in robotics, but maybe there is something that I have
you don't have a use case for it, so...
Yes.
Yeah. You gotta learn it for fun.
Yes, exactly. Context expression.
Bros, I mean, when did this channel become a C++ channel? I mean, you just came in and people started, guys, ban everyone who talks about C++, okay? Transistor, this is an order. I don't know anything about these and I don't want to get into C++, guys.
The thing is that context expression is the same as in Rust. It's like when you're not declaring mutable, so it's a context expression. But Rust by itself, it does, because you don't put...
Yeah, I mean,
like,
we're not like, come on, Rust people, like, we don't need to, you know, it's already there. I promise I'll learn Rust one day. Hopefully, bro, otherwise you're gonna be banned. You have been invaded successfully. Alright, just ban every C++ developer and also Spanish people. Transistor, come
not
on.
Barcelona's people, not Catalan people.
Yeah, you heard it. It's nostalgia at this point. We're still talking about Rust being much more awesome. Thank you, Lucas, for confirming, because I was kind of worried at some point, well, when you started talking about C++ and shit. But I know that you're actually one of the good grinders of Ratatouille, so you can't be one of those people. You're just making some bread.
Yes.
Kurwa.
No, tío. Well. Okay. I have to say that it's another perspective. I started Rust without being planned to start, and I have to say that it's awesome. So, yeah, it's like really like we can compare between C++ and Rust, but I think that Rust is much better regarding C++, and it's gonna have a really feature in lots of areas. And robotics, I hope that it's gonna be one, as my experience have seen. But maybe I'm wrong. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. It's just better, so
yeah,
nothing to add here.
Exactly.
But I mean, do you know the actual, like, the best or superior language out there?
Superior language?
It's superior, like above anything. Do you know which one it is? It's Holy See.
Holy See?
Do you know Holy See?
No.
Okay, guys, we get a teacher now. So, have you heard of TempleOS?
No.
So there's one person, like there's this guy who is sadly not alive anymore.
Okay.
He like wrote his own operating system.
Whoa.
And own language, program language, and own kernel and everything. His name is Terry Davis.
Yeah,
and
they are talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
F in the chat.
Holy shit, he doesn't know.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know.
Yeah, so he created TempleOS.
Okay.
And he was like sick in the head, like schizo a bit.
Okay.
So and he was like, yeah, he thought that
wow.
he was just being instructed by God to write this operating system.
Okay. Oh,
So,
that makes a sense. A name.
The Holy See is just
Okay.
the best language out there. That because of this reason.
Okay. Legend. Okay, I have to search for this guy.
Yeah, he's a legend. You kind of
It's a new god. Yeah.
you gotta like learn more about him for sure. If Terry was alive today, he'd be writing Rust in Holy See.
Could be.
It's true. It's true. But I mean, everybody knows in this chat, and like everybody knows that it's the best language out there.
Okay.
You gotta like research it a bit.
Yeah,
and see,
I will
see
for
for
sure.
yourself.
I will for sure. Yeah.
Most sacred
He was
program.
interpreting 3D objects.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, he
What?
was like, he was. He
What?
put the sprites like.
Oh my
3D
God, that's
objects in-
huge.
Yeah,
That's huge.
he was a genius.
Wow, I have to look through this man.
He did all of this because he said that God just gave him divine intellect
Wow.
to do all of these things.
I'm gonna
like,
search for this guy.
In this operating system, like there's no networking, and it's like the resolution is very small. And
Okay.
when people ask why, he says that the God just wanted it like that. So
Oh my god. There are languages and then are Holy See. Yeah, I can understand now.
rest in peace, Terry Davis.
Yes.
Rest in peace. Maybe his soul is actually just wandering
could
around
be,
like,
yeah.
in this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If he was in Europe, he would be still alive and coding his stuff. Oh. What? He ended up being homeless in the street?
Yeah, he kind
Oh,
of
no.
like killed himself
Oh no.
because he was just a homeless guy, and then one day he decided to just
No.
meet the Mr. God.
Okay.
So
Oh. Okay, I'm sad now. Maybe he's here with us, yeah.
and he became a painting which is not visible but on the wall. Rest in peace, King. He was run by a train.
Oh.
Imagine if instead of tolls we went with Davis, and oh man, that would be like the world would be a different place today if we like had like Terry Davis on an actual like a respectable position where people would like see him as as who he is actually, but
Yes.
sadly we didn't see like people didn't know about him until he was pretty much gone, basically.
Oh, no.
Because whole internet was just trolling him at some point, sadly. So yeah,
That
4chan,
isn't working.
fucking
Oh no.
4chan.
Yeah.
God did not need networking. Yeah, man.
I feel bad now.
He had communicated with God bits. Tolls is a community builder. Davis is a lone wolf. TempleOS is not Unix, Linux. Yeah. I have actually tried TempleOS on.
This is the
on
next
stream.
level, right? Because
Yeah. Like, yeah.
but I like to learn new things, but I'm
You just like enter
this is
the
the
new,
name level. Yeah, I
just
see it
enter
now.
the
I see it
new-
now. I'm like expecting about what's gonna be the next level, and this is okay. I understand
yeah,
now.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I tried out TempleOS on one of my live streams, and
Okay.
I learned a bit of Holy See. Let me actually show you how the operating system looks like, because it's not like anything that you have seen.
Sure.
So this is the operating system.
Oh God.
This is like the interface.
It seems like the what calls.
Like, look at this.
But this is like the BIOS. The BIOS.
Yeah, but like the whole thing is like this, and
Is
also
everything
designs-
based on BIOS?
No, it's just like everything is just written by him, like from scratch, like everything. And yeah, these are the games and stuff. These things have been like drawn using his own like math and drawing library.
Wow.
There's like a flight simulator.
640. Wow.
Yeah.
Who cares how?
Yeah, exactly. That's not my point, but like you know.
Digital good temple. Wow. Guys, you're in the next level like me.
No,
I
you
totally
just-
admit.
Guys, we
I need to-
successfully recruited her to our cult. So good job, everybody. Thank you. I mean, nice.
I have to say that I need to like to see things just to like to visualize things. I don't know how, because I need like to visualize the things, so I need to see it always. So when people is talking, sometimes I'm making drawings about that because I'm thinking differently about other people. You have different ways to think about this. So
Yeah.
for me, visualization, I need the visualization always.
Yeah, good. I didn't
But
just show you.
3 dimension is nice, but maybe not for you.
Yeah. Actually, you could watch the stream on TempleOS without any issues.
Another Holy C Padawan. Yes, that's me.
Imagine writing your
Thanks
own
for introducing
background.
me to this topic.
Yeah, we're gonna need to see and write your monolithic kernel with Topic, PostGIS and other C libraries. He was definitely a mad genius. Yeah, he was like.
I couldn't do this.
Yeah, he was
couldn't do
on
this.
another level.
Yes,
And
yes, I agree. Yes.
There's like a whole documentary about his life and what he was doing because he was actually live streaming as well. I mean, just
Oh.
not for like
okay.
views or anything, but he was just live streaming and just doing things at some point.
Oh.
And doing live streams, people analyzed like what he was doing, like how he was working on stuff. And I think he had a very weird sleep schedule where you just stay awake for a long time, like
Okay.
2 days or something, and
Okay.
just like just working on this
Okay.
thing, and then like sleep, and then like I don't know, like he was just on another level. There's like some so okay, I gotta just say, if you search for him on the internet, there's some offensive memes
Oh,
because he was like,
no.
you know, kind of sick in the head, so just
Okay.
dropping slurs left and right. Like, yeah, it's a bit funny though.
Okay.
But still, he was okay. Rest in
I
peace.
think
King.
that Mehmet told that he was definitely a mad genius. Yeah, I think that's a
Yeah.
really good definition. Yeah.
Should port Rosetta to TempleOS, bro. I'm gonna make it happen.
His day has 52 hours.
Yeah.
Wow. I think that's this guy's from another dimension. I couldn't do what this guy did. I couldn't do it. It's
Nobody could. He
It's
just
like wow.
he's one of a kind, and he was
Yes.
built different
Yes.
than us.
Yes. Wow.
Extreme dopamine levels can allow you to work without stopping in neurochemical level, but also causes you to have delusions. You sound like you have experience, bro. You kind of scaring me now. He's a philosopher, except the spazzing too. He had a bright mind for sure. I can say safely he might be the greatest software engineer ever lived. He was been diagnosed with schizophrenic genius.
Wow.
Have very thin line with madness.
Yes.
Tenets of
I've
grindhouse.
heard about this. Yeah.
The tenets of the grindhouse do say that sleep is for the weak, though. Yeah, we say that sleep is for the weak. So
Okay.
we have some guidelines. You're a new member, so you don't know much about the grind philosophy and like the whole
Okay.
the guidelines and how we work and stuff.
I'm a
But
greenhouse Padawan too. Okay.
yeah. So
Sounds good,
you'll learn more about this
Okay.
as you join us, guys. I'm so happy that we have a new member. So we're just gonna wash your brain,
Yeah. Okay.
and you're just gonna
Sounds
grind.
good. Yeah. We sleep with
Awesome.
open eyes. Okay, I see. It's never ending.
Yeah.
Okay. To keep our memory hot. Okay. Alcoholite in the making. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna.
I might have experienced. No wonder why I visit Berlin and Amsterdam so often. Bro, you are
Okay.
doing some sketchy stuff, man. I wonder, like, what you're doing. Maybe share your experience with us
Yes.
later on. Maybe, I don't know. But you like nothing can change the fact that nobody could ever like reach Terry Davis's level of whatever, like his level basically.
I agree. No, I totally agree. I could. It's like huge. It's like huge. Yeah.
He's a big inspiration in my life. I mean, sometimes like when I say this, people like cringe out because like he's just a bit weird and stuff. But I just focus on what he has done, and like it's a lot. And yeah, I mean,
no one can. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's like a pity because people who does this awesome things, it's like not being recognized, and it should be. I've seen like lots of people working hard and it's not being recognized. I think that the work, it's not like should be recognized differently, and we should change about this because it's a really good job. But for example, the footballers that plays around balls, like for me, it's not. Maybe they can learn lots of money, but for me, it's not giving any value about what they are doing. So this kind of people that they are doing like beautiful jobs and it's not being recognized. I'm really sad for this. So yeah.
What's the point of reaching that level? I don't know why you asked that question, Mr. Dick, because I mean, we won't be able to. We don't know what he was like, what kind of a mind he had. So
yes, we don't know that.
I also want to be a madman. Lucas, just go back to C++ for that, I guess.
Some days you may be. Yes, we can predict. Okay.
I should put TempleOS as one of the hashtags to the stream.
Yes, I will.
I guess best computer scientists are the most mad ones. Stallman.
Could be. Yeah, could be.
Alright, I don't want to like steal your sleep, but I mean, we can probably just go for 10 more minutes and wrap
Sounds
this
good.
up. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
When is your flight tomorrow?
At noon. No. At evening.
Evening. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but we have to check out, right?
No, I have to go to Warsaw tomorrow.
Oh, so you're
I'm leaving at 6 a.m. to Warsaw.
6 a.m.?
Yes.
Damn.
Yes, I'm gonna like meet some people there.
Okay.
Templates, hashtag art templates. TempleOS, TempleOS. C++.
People reward distractions because no one will ever chill to see someone reminding them that they are lazy and they're using their full potential.
Yes. I have seen lots of people that they're super clever and they don't seem clever because they're bored. And I've seen lots of, I'm in the like technology and also in the teaching side, and I've seen lots of little like people or young people that has really full potential, but they are bored because they are not giving the inputs that they need. And for me, it's like, oh my God. So I most of the time during the master, I'm like a coach, like telling the people what I think that they should do. So motivating people, because people not motivated really fast. So you have to be there to motivate them. And yeah, I think that there are super like clever people, and the thing is like, we don't have people who motivate others. It's a pity. Yeah. I'm more of everything than living.
Living is like dying in 2025.
Yes.
Well, we're dying tonight, so.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
I mean, bro, this is my last live stream.
People reward distractions because no one will be thrilled to see someone reminding them that they are lazy. Yeah, that's a really good point. Yeah. Yeah, I also see with my nephew and niece that sometimes they're really smart, but they have everything like easy and they don't use their potential because everything is easy. So yeah, freedom will work fulfillment.
Actually, I might just change that to grind plus grind plus grind equals grind. So
That's nice.
like, let's
Yeah.
just fix that, bro. I mean, tomorrow after live stream, maybe. What do you think? Like, should we do like an after live stream? Like when we die?
Afterlife. Yeah. Well, yeah. I will. Well, tomorrow I don't know if I have enough time because I'm gonna arrive at 9. But maybe you can do it and then.
Like, you're just gonna die. I mean,
Yes, that's
what
it.
are you gonna do when you die?
I don't know. Oh,
Okay.
that's a really good question.
Yeah.
We can leave it here. Yeah. It's a good question.
Well, first of all, how would you like to die? Like, just answer very seriously about this. Like, what's your preferred way?
I would like to fight before die.
No, just like forget about all the like hotel shit. Just like how, guys, I'm asking to everybody, how would you like to die?
I don't know.
You never thought about it?
No.
Why?
And you? What do you think?
I like 10 sea turtles, and I'm just gonna attach myself to 10 of them, and I'd like them to just drag me through the Pacific Ocean. Just a very peaceful death. If you guys watch Filthy Frank, you know what I'm talking about.
I would say that grinding, like grinding. Like
But like, I mean, you cannot die while grinding.
yes, you can like be grinding
No.
and then die.
No,
You cannot?
no, grind. In that case, grind is ending. Grind never ends, you know? Like,
Okay.
it's like, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Let's see what people have said. Orhun would grind afterlife too, for sure. I start dying right after being born, but
Yeah,
creating
that's
something
right.
is fine, is it?
Yeah, it's a really good point. Yeah.
Afterlife, grinding stream, making infinite grave files with Rust. I want to die writing Rust. Okay,
Oh, that's nice.
interesting question. Never thought about it. By the way, before you end the stream, drop the music playlist for today. For sure, man. Let me just send the link.
Okay.
Going one light speed to the sun or free space, walk till no oxygen. One light speed to sun.
That's huge. One light speed
Yeah.
of sun. Wow.
You are creative. I like
Yes, me too.
that. I cannot drop the link because I have yeah. YouTube wants me to verify myself, so I cannot access the link. But okay, just give me a sec. I'll make it up.
One light speed to sun. Sounds nice. Yeah, I think so.
It's not loading.
Yeah.
Well, okay, I'm just gonna tell you the name of the thing that is playing right now and just search this on YouTube. We're gonna do it the old way. It's 1986 Midnight Programmer Vaporwave Synthwave Retro Mix. There you go. You'll find it. Sorry, I cannot send a link. Everything's fucked up here. One light speed to sun is like his light 8 minutes of agony. Long
Yes.
roller coaster where you see planets too while going. What? Okay, did you think about it? Like, how would you like to die? Come on, we gotta get an answer. Think.
I don't know. I might say the same. Like one light to speed to sun. I think that's one with like yeah. Or maybe supersonic, like going like faster than like the velocity of the sound. That would be nice also. I don't know. Or in a spaceship, that would be nice also. But I need the tempest.
Yes, me, Mr. Dick, and Lucas going there together. Where are you guys going? Why am I not invited? By the way, my internet just died over there. Okay, everything's lagging probably. Let me just close all of this. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, we should be back. Wonder what it'd be like to get spaghettified inside a black hole. That would be actually quite interesting.
Yes, I would like to see also, yeah. TempleOS. Oh,
We're going to sun.
The ship will be using TempleOS.
Okay. I like that. Okay,
Yes, me too.
I'm gonna switch the question. Oh wait, let the turtles go. Come to spaceship with us to sun. Okay, I'm doing it. Don't care. May use whatever fucking OS it wants. It was using TempleOS. But okay, question. If you wanted to know anything, like know anything as a fact so far in your life, you're gonna just learn something. What would you want to learn? Like, let's say you can ask a question like, did the moon landing ever happen? And you're gonna get the answer for it. Something like this. What would you want to learn?
It's like maybe off topic,
Yeah.
but I feel that there is something like kind of dimension that we haven't like studied.
Yeah.
That it's called the energy.
Okay.
So I would like to study the energy itself. Because I feel that there is
Okay.
like another dimension that we don't know, that it's like the energy. But maybe it's like too off topic. So yeah.
No, it's fine. Like, so you want to basically learn about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And see like which like, because lots of things that happens, it's based on the energy. So just to explain why.
Yeah, got it.
But it's super strange, super off topic. So yeah.
No, it's not off topic. It's on topic and it's very cool.
I think that there is a fourth dimension that it's called energy.
Yeah. That I mean, compared to my compared to what I was going to say, you're like, okay, I want to learn how did Hitler die? No, I don't know. Are the aliens? Quite a classic. I'm also curious about that too. So
Okay.
we can probably like make a deal, like you ask, like you learn something and the other one learns something, and we kind of make it related.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Are we frozen, by the way? How's the stream for you? No, it's here. Okay, cool.
Another thing that I would like to learn is about AI. And that's not.
AI?
Yeah. LLMs. And they're beautiful to like train language models. There is one thing that now it's called like, it calls what it calls? I don't know now. But it's like with your terminal, you have a pre-trained neural network that can make something for you. It calls ROS A, I think that it calls. So you can say, make the like a circle in the turtle, so and the turtle makes a circle. So that's it.
That's promising.
Yeah.
Lucas says, don't feel down and alone. Everybody feels that at some point in their life. I started learning Rust only because my family died out and my wife left me alone in the middle of nowhere.
Okay.
Lucas, what?
Lucas, we love you.
Okay, sorry. I started laughing. I was just laughing at something else. But I mean, bro.
Yes, I
just do
think so.
something. Yeah.
Aliens. I think that aliens. Lots of people say that aliens exist, but I don't know. I'm not really. But I think that maybe there are some people that knows more than we know, and maybe I don't know.
You can look up Kardashian.
I want to be an
Kardashian.
atom. Oh, that's nice. It's like, yeah, you could. Wow, an atom would be nice. You can be everywhere.
Wait, my chat is gone. What people saying right now?
That you don't laugh.
Bro, I mean, I don't know. Like, it's hard to judge from a text. You know, like, how's the emotion while Lucas was saying that? Was he like I don't know. Sorry, man. My bad. My bad. But I mean, the last part, you just like make it funny in the last part. Everything was just quite serious, and you, at the end, you say like, middle of nowhere. Like it sounds like he just like lost everything and just in a forest or something. It's like, or in a street. You know what I mean?
But the thing is that why your wife left you alone in the middle of nowhere.
What the hell, bro?
But instead of we like you, we love you, Lucas. Don't worry.
Yeah,
So
I'm gonna marry you, Lucas. Just for you. No, not gay, but love you, man. In a non-gay way. No homo. Hashtag no homo. Hashtag no homo, guys.
Lucas just wait. I don't understand this.
Mr. Dick says, don't fuck around. In Turkish.
Okay.
Yeah, no homo.
We can leave it here in no homo. That's a really good way to stop.
Okay, guys, we're done. Julia has a flight in the sorry.
Train.
Portal.
Portal. To Warsaw, that would be nice.
Lucas, you're just making it worse for us. You're trying to cancel us, bro. Only fields, so really nothing's inside. Bro, where do you fucking live? Oh my god. Sorry, man. If you're serious, I'm really sorry, but I mean, yeah. It felt like Bobby's live show where he said a Down syndrome man molested me. Yeah, exactly. That literally felt like that. I'm really, really sorry. But I mean, you kind of make it funny on purpose. Oh my god. Anyways, let's just wrap this up.
Yes.
Whatever this is like, what stream is this? Like, yeah, it's just
Random stream.
random ass, yeah. Okay, guys. It's been 3 hours. If we go for 1 more minute, it's 3 hours.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go for 1 more minute. Bring Lucas to stream now. This is the only way. Lucas, you gotta, yeah. I mean, for real. Where you live? Where do you live? Let me just come around. Which field are you living? I'm gonna just come around,
You can
bro.
come to this hotel, haunted hotel.
Yeah. I mean, I love Lucas. Just don't get me wrong. I love in a non-gay way, and I'd like to hang out with him one day.
He likes you.
I'm already not here, just to be sure. Okay. So I'm actually gonna make a stream happen with him. So, yeah, I mean, this guy is a legend. Okay. His last name means bread.
Okay.
So.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Bread. Thanks for the comment. Made my night. Gonna end up mad from the illness. Can't go outside. Man, get well soon. You know, get a lot of steroids. Get out of that situation quick. Okay. Inject everything. You got this. Great stream. 11 out of 10. I would say it's kurva out of 10, but I mean, go for 11 if you want. So yeah, we are now at.
Bread.
It's 15 more seconds. We're at 3 hours mark. Bread or bread? What the fuck? That shit just scared the. What? Did you? How do I stop this? Stop. Oh my god, that was so scary. Alright, this was the
I'm gonna
proof.
sleep in this couch today, and then I'm gonna sleep in my room.
Alright, so this was the proof that the room is actually haunted. Haunted, guys.
Fire alarm.
What the fuck is happening? Bro, I don't know, but it was an alarm for some reason in the radio. The radio has an alarm.
I'm super scared now. I cannot go to my room.
She's staying here. Actually,
I'm staying in this couch.
yeah, we actually should just go out. Just saying, we should just sleep on the street or something. This is not safe. I mean, imagine that happening while you're sleeping.
I just can't come here running.
Imagine just this thing, bomb alarm during the fucking sleep. Oh my god. I would just die from a heart attack. Just die on the spot. Oh my god. You asked for Terry and
Exactly,
he came
that's it. That's it.
Oh my god.
I want to sleep today, guys.
You
I'm gonna
gotta
stream all the night.
answer for an energy question.
Yes, that's it. That's it. Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know what will happen next, to be honest. I don't know what's gonna happen. This painting probably just gonna fall off from the wall as next thing because we probably fucked it up and then it will just fall off because like it's incompatible with the wall or some shit. I don't know. Oh my god.
Of course, that art. Yeah, I think.
I mean, we made this place more haunted by just switching the paintings. You know that, right? It was fine before. It was not making.
But I
noise.
told you before that I thought that it was like an alarm for the morning.
But it's not morning. it's fucking night. Why would you set an alarm like?
I don't know. I'm super
Oh
scared
my
now.
god. Aliens will visit the room soon. Next answer.
I
will be
think
mine.
so.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I think so. Or maybe the receptionist is like telling us to stop. I don't know. Maybe they're
What?
night of us. Maybe they have seen us. I don't know.
What? Do you
They
mean
can-
there's a camera inside the radio? From a radio from 1800, there's a
Could be.
camera?
Yeah, could be.
Oh
I
my
don't know.
god. Guys, I mean,
It's the best way to stop this.
yeah, let's just stop it. You messed up the feng shui and now there's hell to pay.
Yes,
Yeah, I mean, we
makes
kind of
sense.
disturbed everything in the hotel probably. We ran through the corridor and nobody's probably staying in this hotel. There's just dead bodies everywhere and like everyone is just disturbed. Oh, we're just so fucked.
Yeah, we are so.
I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know, guys.
It's gonna be our last day. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, let's just end this.
Yes, it's good.
Thanks for joining and thanks
Thank
Julia,
you for inviting me. Yeah,
Yeah.
it has been a really nice time. I've learned a lot of things from you guys, so I will
Yeah.
look through this. Yeah.
We also
Thank you so
recruited you to our grindhouse
Yes.
cult and yeah, well, I wish to invite you in the future if we stay alive
Will
after
do.
this night.
Yeah,
So
will do. Yeah.
yeah. Soon Pinhead will come to the room. Guys, 07 in the chat and we are actually ending this thing. And I mean, wish us luck, I guess, right? Because we're gonna need it. Thank you and love the energy. For sure, post something tomorrow so we know that you're alive.
Yes, that's really good. Yeah.
I'm gonna
Will
try
do.
to post something, guys.
Don't make these long streams again, please. Okay, feel sorry.
I mean, this is the last one. What do you mean?
Yeah, I also had a really good time streaming. I'm not used to stream, and I don't like. Well, I don't used to it. So the thing is, I had a really good time with you guys. So I think that you're awesome. You should like. I should come to more streamings on this. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make it happen. The next one will be in Barcelona if we stay
Yes,
alive. so.
we have to look through the Erasmus Barcelona. Yeah.
Yeah, we're making it happen, guys.
Mm.
All right. I guess good night and enjoy. We are definitely not enjoying anything in this hotel, but I'll see you next time.
In another
Yeah,
life.
hopefully. And thanks again for joining me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. All right, guys. Good day or night based on your time zone. All right.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.
We are so cooked. Well, we need some weapons or something. we need to get some guns and kill the receptionist or I don't know.
I don't
what
want
the
to
fuck.
go